What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet not another video. We're on a live stream today. Welcome, everybody. Let's see who we got in the live stream real quick. Make sure we are live and going. All right, just waiting for a few to join here. Let's make sure everybody's aware that the live stream is on real quick. Bear with me, bear with me. Give it a second. All right, we got some folks in here. Melinda, dude, we saw nothing. All right, first here, bro. Tony Urena, how you doing, my friend? Callie Diza, welcome to the chat. Hi from Liverpool, UK. Liverpool, one of my favorite soccer teams. Welcome, Stone Cold Murphy. Zenith, let's go. Yes, let's go, folks. The last live stream I was that I projected, which was what, 5 days ago now. We were having one of the worst days in the market. And look, guys, we are looking better than ever, getting ready to hopefully explode in the near future. Let me quickly tweet out saying that we are live, so you guys can see kind of me tweeting here on a live. But let's see. Quickly going to say we are live. Hashtag SHIBARMY. All right. Sent a tweet out. Let's get the people coming in. If you haven't already, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's look at the price action. The price action. Everybody was wondering, why in the world is Shiba Inu on fire? There's so many different reasons, folks. And guys, we are just getting started. I'm going to keep saying that over and over and over again. This is truly only the beginning for Shiba Inu. Why? All right, we'll talk about all the catalysts, but the FOMO is real, folks. The FOMO is real. So we saw a pretty significant sell-off here, followed by some fantastic green candles. If we look at the 1 hour, beautiful, beautiful buying pressure. And let's just look at the price action for today. So, because I know, trust me, I just got off of work. First thing I did was I asked you guys on the Discord, if you're already on the Discord, hey, would you guys like me to do a live stream? And everyone said yes. So we are here right now doing a live. But if we see overall the last 7 days, you know, again, really just moving in the sideways direction. But today, everyone was wondering what in the heck happened that pushed us from 700 Satoshi units, where we were kind of consolidating for quite some time, a couple hours, to boom, skyrocketing to almost 740 Satoshi units. Well, guys, guess what? Whales are coming back in to Shiba Inu. Point blank, simple. 100% the whales are returning. And there's also, of course, that manipulation. Those who sold off and tried to get in at a better entry point did so. So individuals outside of just you and I, right, the SHIB Army members, are pouncing or getting into this because they know all the upcoming catalysts for Shiba Inu, right? We know all the listing news. We know all the positive things that are yet to come. But this here is only the beginning. Remember, my channel and my videos are not for financial advice. Rather, I try to put you guys on the place that I am in. So I'm doing so today by showing you, yes, we've seen the down days, right? On my previous stream, I showed you guys I bought more Shiba Inu at 560 Satoshi units. For anybody that decided to pounce with me, you are up significantly since then at 730. And this is only the beginning. I continue to say this every single day. Every single day, because the catalysts are infinite. Not finite, but infinite. And we're going to talk about every single one of those right here. Matthew Miller, my hero, loved the Shiba Inu super chat. Thank you so much, my friend. I salute you. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. And of course, no one ever has to do that, but I do appreciate it when you guys do. So thank you, thank you, thank you, my friend, Mr. Matthew Miller. Always, always supporting. Now, why? The question is why? Why are people getting into Shiba Inu? What is going on with Shiba Inu? Where are we headed? Let's go on Twitter. Twitter has literally become my favorite newsfeed for anything Shiba Inu related. So if we quickly go to Twitter, and actually I've been talking to Scott Herman a lot lately because, you know, we're both extremely, extremely bullish on Shiba Inu. But you guys saw what Shytoshi said. And also I'm going to bring Milkshake's page up, and we'll talk about Milkshake in a little bit. If you guys aren't already following Milkshake, make sure you do, because, man, she is on top of things. Regardless, let's look at what Shytoshi has been saying throughout the day today. So, a lot of individuals have been asking, when Shiba Swap? When will Shiba Swap release? And regardless of when Shiba Swap is going to be released, we know that they want to make sure that it's the most perfect platform as soon as it is live and released. So he said here, our small team of SHIB developers are setting a node through Xfund, our Oracle provider for Shiba Swap. So know that it's going through not the auditing, but again, security measures and that kind of thing. And this should be live this weekend when it comes to the Xfund. And again, we can kind of open that in a tab here to see what they exactly are. But again, there are individuals who are ensuring the security for it. And wow, who is this? Mr. Imaj251 with the $50 super chat. My man, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I wish you wrote something so we can, share it with the audience and everyone that is watching right now live. But thank you so much, my man. It really does mean a lot to me. You guys are always overwhelming with your support. So Imaj251, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. And if I'm not, please correct me, my friend. But I do appreciate it. Abdulrahim Nadim, my man. He says, you still holding Zomedica, holding 10K shares, don't know to sell or hold. I am holding every single share of Zomedica. If you guys don't know, I talk about Zomedica quite a bit, and it was one that I covered heavily when it was pretty much literally skyrocketing at the beginning of the year. But lately I've been shifting, shifting to Shiba Inu because really that's where I have a lot of money invested, and the excitement is truly here, and it's here to stay, in my opinion. So again, I will always cover Zomedica, Abdulrahim, and it's something that I'm still invested in, holding strong, and yet the positive catalysts and all the good things that are coming for Zomedica are still yet to come. I'm excited for the shareholders meeting that is very soon. So my man, I didn't forget about Zomedica. As soon as news does come out, I will be there, and I will be there to discuss it in detail. So again, thank you, Abdulrahim. I do appreciate you for the super chat. And one more time for Imaj, my man. Literally, you guys can be crazy sometimes, but I do appreciate it. So regardless, so with Oracle, for people demanding Shiba Swap, Shaitoshi said, so Shaitoshi, for anybody that doesn't know, that's maybe just getting introduced to the Shiba Inu army, or that's just entering into SHIB, you must know that Shaitoshi Kusama, he's the main developer for Shiba Swap, the platform that's going to be a game changer for all of us SHIB token holders, and we'll discuss that through the live stream on why. Why are we so excited about Shiba Swap, and how is it going to affect the price action? How is it going to affect our individual investments early on, Leash and in Shiba Inu? So he said here, for people demanding Shiba Swap, did you miss what I just said in his previous one here? I said that the Oracle provider of the swap, set up via a node on Unification UND, goes live this weekend or earlier. Proper infrastructure and security is what makes the swap and our future projects a success. 100% absolutely agree with what he said there. So make sure you do realize that, hey, what they're doing right now through the auditing, right, with Certec and all these other things, they're looking for perfection. And we as individual investors need to understand, yes, this is a cryptocurrency, and yes, there's a lot more, volatility and things of that nature, but we have to be patient. We have to be patient. And I'm going to talk about an article that was published today from FX Street. You guys saw, it says here, Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB may reward patience with an 80% return based off technical analysis. Solely off technical analysis, we are looking at what? Potentially an 80% return in the short term. Guys, the technicals are also talking. So you know me, I'm someone who does not do the technical graphing. I don't necessarily do all the little details and nuances. That's not who I am. Right? That's not really the focus of my channel. I try to report on news and give you guys always my bull case, my bullish case. And if there's any fundamental flaws with Shiba Inu or anything to do with the market, I also put those things on blast, and I will make sure that everybody is aware of those things going on. Now, real quick. So what is going on with this article? So Shiba Inu price is currently building the right shoulder of a multi-week inverse head and shoulders pattern. We have to embrace and understand what the technical analysis mean, because that can differentiate someone from being a paper-handed, weak-minded investor to a diamond-handed, stronger and more well-versed or versatile investor. Those are the two ways to differentiate, is the ones who can understand and maybe learn a little bit about the technicals to embrace those and move forward with them. So if you guys want me to start talking about technical analysis, I can. I don't really look at it too much, although it can help with buying patterns and whether to buy or sell. So for you guys today, I will also For anyone that's tuned in on the live stream, I will also mention what are good entry points in my opinion. Not financial advice. Just trying to put you guys on the plays that I am in. So let's go ahead and scroll down and look what they said. So if we scroll here, you guys can see the measured move target for, so what they're looking at based off completely the technicals, we're looking at Shiba Inu's price did collapse 40% from the June 15th high of 986 Satoshi units. We were on bullish momentum. Everything was looking good to June 22nd, slow of 560. And for anybody that was on the live stream with me, you guys know I literally bought right around that mark because we saw the decent level of support. So if we look at the basic chart real quick here, we'll look at the 7-day. And real quick, I see someone else send a super chat. Yasmini Marquez, thank you so much for the super chat. Love, what's that, number one? I love the Shiba Inu in your little super chat there. So thank you so much for the love and support. It does help out the channel and I do appreciate it. But regardless, so what happened that made me think, okay, we need to pounce when we see that 560 Satoshi unit mark? It was pretty obvious, guys. This is looking at the 1 month chart, and this is where technicals come to play. You could look at a chart and understand, hey, what is a good place to enter and what is a good place to exit? Or if for those of you who are day trading Shiba Inu, this follows very, very simple technicals. We know where the strongest level of support is at 560 Satoshi units. I told you guys that live 5 days ago, literally, or was it, what now? A few days ago. I said, as it approaches 560, that is a good entry point for Shiba Inu based off previous patterns. On June 11th, 560, we bounced right off of that. There was the Coinbase Pro listing news that created that big green candlestick. And same thing that's going to happen is Coinbase Pro is going to relist it, and we're going to see the exact same thing repeat itself. History repeats itself, and that's the way we can embrace and look at what the technical analysis. That's the only thing it can help us with, is looking at previous patterns. Don't ever follow anybody on the YouTube space or in the market saying, oh, if you follow the technicals, this is exactly what's going to happen in the future. We can never predict the future, guys. Never ever can we predict the future, but we can always look at previous patterns and say, hey, if it's done this before, with the market and the crypto market, history repeats itself. And that's just how it goes. All right. And let me give a quick shout out to Jaghab 2010. He says, just wanted to say I trust your channel the most, and I am proud of you and all of us holders. Man, salute to you, Jaghab. I really do appreciate the super chat. And for the SHIB Army members, he says, and I am proud of all of you and all of us holders. So again, same thing is, by the way, again, I really do appreciate the super chat, but regardless, what he says here is he's proud of all of you, and I am too, right? Because I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but obviously what we're seeing right now in the market is overall, people are pouncing. People are pouncing. And Khalid, all caps here real quick, he says, Ahmed, if the Coinbase relist and the swap both land on Monday, do you think we can jump past 200, or that's 2,000, right? With 4 zeros, 2,000 Satoshi units, or is that too much to ask for? All the best. So Khalid Hassan asks, if we see both catalysts, so Shiba swap dropping and Coinbase relisting on the same day, can we see this thing go up to over 2,000 Satoshi units? So we're looking at a 3x, 300% gain in a day. The likelihood of that, my man, is pretty low. And that's why I think what we like to see, typically speaking, about when it comes to good sentiments or good news, is day after day. So one day, a positive catalyst drops, 30 to 40% gains, that's healthy. Another catalyst that can create, double-digit 30 to 40% gains, another jump. That's the more preferred, instead of overwhelming people with too much good news all at once. Because guess what? What follows a lot of good news, as you saw, let's go back here real quick. What follows a lot of good news? Always a sell-off, a significant sell-off. So spreading out good news or good sentiments around any market or any cryptocurrency is always going to be more beneficial for the longevity of your gains, to preserve those gains and keep more consolidation after the run-up. So in my opinion, it's better if we actually It's better if we actually see positive news spread out. So maybe 2 or 3 days apart, because we'll see the spike, we'll see a little bit of a sell-off, more good news comes about, boom, we'll see another spike, a little bit of sell-off, and that's just how typically the market works. So hopefully, Khalid, that helps answer your question a little bit. Regardless, guys, so entry points to this day. Right now, we're seeing, again, potentially a technical breakout. no real positive news or big updates that have revealed themselves. People are starting to, hopefully come back into Shiba Inu and understand that, hey, this is an investment I want to get back into because I'm interested in the cryptocurrency. I see their potential. Venezuela's adopting it. Shiba Swap is about to release. Coinbase. Look how early we got accepted by Coinbase. Remember what that truly means. How long did it take Dogecoin to get listed? Years and years after the Dogecoin, or the Doge army, if you will, kept asking and asking. And don't get me wrong, I'm an investor of Dogecoin. But regardless, what we saw with Shiba Inu is we're seeing very quick media attention, and we're overwhelming a lot of these different brokerages and decentralized and centralized exchanges by showing them our true potential. The fact that we're so active on social media, that's the true way to spread the word nowadays. It's not through advertisements. No, social media, YouTube. Look at the SHIB Army on YouTube. You guys are the best family on YouTube. You guys literally have been, my channel went from 20,000 subscribers, and I'm so grateful for this. We're approaching 50,000 subscribers in the matter of a month and a half of me covering Shiba Inu. Yes, it's been nonstop because I freaking love you guys. But outside of that, it's just, that's the power of the SHIB Army. 550,000 members nearly holding SHIB token, and that's only the start. Whew. I get so excited when I talk about Shiba Inu, and I hope you guys have the same excitement when you talk about it. Every single one of my friends that I know, I make them at least look into Shiba Inu, because I know not all of them watch the videos, but I'm like, hey, if you want to make an investment right now, as a friend, I'm telling you, this thing has some true potential. And I put my money where my mouth is. I would not invest my own hard-earned money to something that I do not believe in long term. So back to what we're talking about, the technical breakout. So that's what we're looking at right now. Because again, there's not necessarily any big news, but here. So Shiba Inu price still lacks the volatility to formalize a March higher. So going up a little bit, let's scroll down to where they talk about it. So right here, so Shiba Inu collapsed over 40%. I talked about that before reading some of those super chats, but again, I do appreciate you guys. So June 22nd, there was a low of 560. We pounced on the live stream, so congratulations to everyone that did. After being overwhelmed by that selling grip the cryptocurrency complex. So we know the overall crypto market pulled back heavily. It was scary. We were all like in panic mode, but things are looking better now. SHIB did manage to hold the June 11th low, establishing a point to build the right shoulder of the visible inverse head and shoulder pattern. Real quick. Sorry guys, for those of you who really understand, technical analysis really well, I'm just gonna give everyone a quick glimpse of what this head and shoulder mean. Here's your head. You guys can see May 10th, we built the peak. That's what we call the head. When you see something right there in the middle of the chart, and then the shoulders, a shoulder on the left side, a shoulder on the right side. So this is whenever you see anything referring to head and shoulder pattern, that's exactly what it means. A shoulder here, and a head up here. That's all it means. Literally like my head and shoulders. It's gonna look just like that on a graph. Up and then back down, okay? So back to the article. Hopefully that made sense. Let's see. So the measured move target of pattern is, right now, the measured move target of the pattern is 1,730 Satoshi units. That is based off the technicals, that's where we're headed, equating to an 82% gain from the neckline or from the current price that we're looking at right now. So they talk about this Fibonacci retracement, and again, it can crash to 1,754 Satoshi units. None of that is too super important, but we'll talk about the moving averages here in a second too. But I gotta give a shout out to Ray, my man Ray with the Green Bay Packers picture. Love Green Bay, love the Packers, great team. Your videos is something I look for every day. I appreciate it and always hashtag SHIBARMY. My man Ray, I appreciate you so much, and I'm glad that my videos can bring you some entertainment, because again, it's for entertainment purposes only. I don't know how many people actually look at it for entertainment, but regardless, I do appreciate the super chat. My man really does support the channel, and again, much respect to you. And I'm hoping that we see Green Bay kill it, although Aaron Rodgers is playing some games. Asuma1 also sending over the super chat. Thank you so much, Asum, for the adorable little SHIB that's looks like, you know, I think that's a great emoji that she has on here. So SHIB is, you know, closing the eyes and sleeping a little bit, but then it's getting ready for the excitement. And I think that's literally what the chart's going to do. A little bit of a blink, but we're getting ready for some big price action, in my opinion. So you guys are killing it, man. Love you all, honestly, every single one of you. So the measured move target of the pattern. To reach the neckline at the 945 Satoshi unit mark, Shiba Inu price will need to rally close to 40%, overcoming the resistance established by the declining 54-hour SMA at 731 Satoshi units. Guys, where are we at right now? 737 Satoshi units. Literally a technical breakout. Point for point. You guys are literally seeing this live. If you are not excited, I don't know what you're doing, but everybody right now in the comment section, hashtag SHIBARMY. I need to see every single one of you put hashtag SHIBARMY, folks. Hashtag SHIBARMY. We got to spread this live stream to more people. We need the whole world to be watching this right now because we're going through a technical breakout. That's exactly what it's looking like we're poised for. And my man, let's see here. I'm going to try to read this in Arabic. I could read Arabic a little bit, but not the best. And he says, let's see. El Shayif Abu An-Nar. The $10 super chat. Thanks. He says, thanks, Ahmed. Thank you, my man. I really do appreciate you so much. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button so we can get the stream out to more people, because the more people that are aware, the better. That's what we need to do, is build awareness. This is the building awareness stage for Shiba Inu. Building awareness is one of the most keys. And we're going to go back to the technicals in a second, but got to acknowledge these super chats because you guys are going crazy. Let's see here. Hypnophobic. Is hypnophobic, $5 super chat. Thank you so much, my man. He says, you, Chad Reddings, and Crypto R Us are my favorite crypto YouTubers. Thanks for all you do, fam. I wish I can buy super chats with SHIB. Maybe soon. Wow, that'd be a game changer. Imagine that. I would love that. Super chats with the SHIB token. One day, I really think that one day Shiba Inu can become the cryptocurrency and maybe the form of the main form of currency for Earth. Because guess what? Never underestimate the SHIB army. That is going to be our continued slogan, if you will, or our continued saying. That's it, by the SHIB army. Never underestimate the power of the SHIB army, because we are one behemoth of a group. Unmatched. Nothing like us out there. All right. Going back to the technicals. Let's see here. Oh, sorry guys, gotta acknowledge every super chat because I cannot let those go, because these are people who are, you know, investing into something they truly believe in, and I do appreciate that. So Mark Britland, thank you so much, my man. He says, bro, SHIB Army, I wait for your videos every day. Keep it up. You're one of the microphones of the community. Thank you so much, my man. I do appreciate your kind words, and I'm just glad that I can build awareness. I've had a lot of people join the SHIB Army just from watching the videos. So if you're one of those individuals that got introduced to Shiba Inu by me, thank you so much. It does mean so much to me, and that's what I'm here for. I'm just trying to become a voice for something I believe in. That's all. Not a financial advisor, you guys know that. I just want to build the awareness that it truly deserves, because this is one that will hopefully, it's already made millionaires and it's going to make even more. And Gills React says, keep it up, brother. We're getting this bag. Hashtag SHIB Army. Let's go, my man. Thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are really killing it today. All right. So we are looking at, so again, it says for us at the 200-hour SMA at 792 Satoshi units. So overcoming the resistance established by the declining 54-hour SMA at 731, right now 7331 is literally where we're at. That's exactly where we're at right now. Going back, it says it is, and the 204-hour SMA at 792 Satoshi units. It's a long wait for impatient SHIB investors, but it will enhance the trader's probability of success. Patience. The market, I keep saying this on every single video of mine. I should say every single live stream and video. The market is a vehicle to transfer wealth from those who are impatient to those who are patient. You guys need to keep that in the back of your mind. Keep it in your back pocket at all times, because it's the truth. Look at all those who got burned in 2017, including myself. I use myself as an example because I am someone who lost a significant amount of money as a college student when I invested in Bitcoin in end of 2017. Fell into the FOMO, bought the peak, sold for a huge loss, and hated crypto since. But then finally now, as someone who graduated, has a job, has income, I'm able to come back into the market and say, okay, I learned from my mistakes, and I know the market is basically, again, a wealth transfer from those who are impatient to those who are patient. Look at all the paper hands that sold out at 560, 580, 590, 600 Satoshi units. They're probably so upset and probably crying right now and saying, man, if only I can go back. And Stefan with the super chat, Stefan Blair says, or Steven maybe it's pronounced, so my apologies, my man. But he says, love your truthful content. Most others are clickbait and non-professional. Ahmed to the moon. Oh man, thank you so much. I've never seen that hashtag before, but Ahmed to the moon. Let's go. Thank you, Steven. Steven to the moon. I do appreciate you, my man. I hope we both moon together and maybe we'll meet each other on the moon someday. Who knows? I'm that bullish on Shiba Inu, but I try to do my best to give you guys content that's honest. Unfortunately, with the clickbait, this is something that I kind of want to talk about. So when it comes to the thumbnails, I know a lot of people are like, dude, enough with the thumbnails, kind of clickbaity. For YouTube right now, with the competition that is out there for Shiba Inu, for all cryptos, there has to be a little bit of clickbait to it. So I try my best to not make it too much clickbait, and I try to give you guys the most honest and best content that I can. But if there's a little bit, don't get too upset with me. I do apologize in advance for all the new subscribers, but got to do a little bit to it. But hashtag Ahmed to the moon, no, hashtag SHIBARMY to the moon. Every single one of you, 1,152 of you in the live stream. Whew, I'm too hyped. I am way too hyped right now, but I do appreciate all of you guys for joining. You guys are all fantastic. Thank you so much, everybody. Now let's get back to the live stream. Now, so a breakout above the neckline by Shiba Inu price would meet resistance at 1,048 Satoshi units. So from right now, we're looking at, again, about, 30-40% increase in price, maybe a little bit more than that. And then the merger of May 24th high, which was 1,204 Satoshi units. That's what we're looking at. So there's no more meaningful resistance for SHIB until the measured move target of 1,730. So we know where the resistance is. Right now, we're testing resistance at 733 Satoshi units. We're a little bit past it, but we're basically testing resistance, guys. So we saw it right here, 736. Saw a decent sell-off, and then now coming back up slowly. And it looks like, again, right now, it's trying to get up there again. It's trying, but we're testing that level of resistance. And if we break that out, the next move forward from there would be 790. And then from there, hopefully we're going to see 1,048 and beat the 8s and the 9s. But we need some good news to surround it. Let's see, someone else with the super chat. It's the BeatStar. The BeatStar is, how much SHIB are you holding? I think I always look at it in US dollars because it's a little over $1,000 right now invested in SHIB. But trust me, I am trying to buy more. I am doing my best to keep increasing my buying power. And I'm hoping to, buy a lot more Shiba Inu in the coming days, 2 weeks. Just looking for the right times to do so based off technicals and based off the previous patterns. So I will definitely continue to be as transparent as I can and show my position. But again, it's more than 100 million for sure. But my goal is to get to 1 billion Shiba Inu tokens. If I can have that before the run up, I will be the most excited individual you will ever see. That is my goal right now. So it is important to note that the other cryptocurrencies formed inverse head and shoulders patterns, albeit with a larger footprint before delivering significant investment returns to investors such as XRP and Zilliqa. So again, they're comparing other cryptos as well in addition to this. So real quick here, let's go back. I want to look at the trading view. Some decent buying. I'm really liking the price action, guys. Really, really liking it. And let's see, Baz Vids with the $10 super chat. Thank you so much, my man. He says, think of cryptocurrency as a business. Ooh, I like this. When people send paragraphs, I love it because it makes more of a dialogue almost. So he says, you will have your lows and highs, like any business. You would even want to quit. As you all know, a business grows and it makes millions as long as you stick with it. Believe me, HODL is king. Baz Vids, very, very, very well said. Truly, truly agree with you. And I think, again, any business, small businesses, large corporations, look at Tesla. Tesla almost sold their entire business. Elon Musk almost sold Tesla to Apple back in 2008, 2009 when they almost went bankrupt for $1 billion. Today, Tesla's worth over $600 billion. US dollars, maybe 700 at the time of the making of this video. So understand what Baz says there, 100% fact, man. I truly do believe what you're saying there. And if we can adopt that mentality as a group of investors, truly, we could see some significant gains as long as fundamentally nothing changes with this cryptocurrency and the crypto infrastructure as a whole. So thank you, Baz, for the super chat. I do appreciate it. Mario Tehran says nothing, but sends the $5 super chat. So thank you so much, Mario. I do appreciate it, my friend. Loving what we're seeing with the price action, guys. So going back to this here. So it looks like, lastly, just to wrap up here with what they're saying on this article, the technical analysis article, they say today the rebound from the right shoulder low appears corrective, wedging higher on very light volume, so not insane high trade volume, and we can confirm that on CoinMarketCap, possibly indicating that Shiba Inu price weakness has not passed. SHIB may need to revisit the shoulder low at 560 before staggering a purposeful rally toward the pattern's neckline, if that is the case. In my opinion, it is not the case, but if it is the case, they said it pretty well there. A decline below the head's low at 550 Satoshi units would void the price structure, exposing Shiba Inu price to notable losses. And again, the bearish momentum, in my opinion, is not really there. The overall crypto market, as you guys can see, Bitcoin's approaching 35K, right? And I know things around the internet, people are spreading a little bit of FUD saying, it still hasn't really, the consolidation right now is not a good sign, which is true. When you see a sell-off, let me use Bitcoin real quick. Let's step away from Shiba Inu for just a second. If we look at Bitcoin's price action over the last 3 months, let's just look at the 1 year chart. So we saw the run up, significant bull run for Bitcoin, and it reached, upwards 63, 64,000. From there, we saw a sell off, right? And now consolidating. When we consolidate after a sell-off, that's not necessarily good news. I truly do agree with that. And real quick, Cash Money Ray, the 99-cent super chat. Thank you so much, Cash Money. I do appreciate it, man. You are a rock star, my friend. Thank you. So, regardless, consolidation after a sell-off is not necessarily a bullish sign. But when we see some great rebounds, right? Like on the 1 day chart today, let's see. Let's quickly look at the 7 day because we saw Bitcoin drop below 29,000, 28,000, right below 29K, and it's rebounded nicely since then. So decent level of support right below that. And again, in my opinion, the overall crypto infrastructure, as the paper hands are leaving, the new investors are finally entering in. Because a lot of people, I know some of my own friends that are within my own circle, they said, hey, I'm not looking to invest into crypto till I see a nice pullback. And this was when Bitcoin was 50K or so. So right now, for those who are trying to get in on it, are able to how? By looking at, hey, the Bitcoin's prices has almost halved from its all-time highs. Not necessarily, not exactly, but a little less than half. But regardless, it did so, and now it's coming back up because the new investors are in. All the bullish signs are here, but we just need to see continued positive news around the space. Let's go away from technicals for a second and just look at the actual good news surrounding it. Good sentiments are important. So we could touch on those for Shiba Inu with Shiba Swap and all the positive things that are coming. Oh my goodness. It is going to be huge. So Faisal says, bro, I just bought, that's a lot of zeros, man. How many zeros is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 6, 200 million Shiba Inu, I think is the number. And I am holding it for 5 years. What can I expect in 5 years? My man, if you have the patience to hold that long, again, not financial advice, Faisal, but myself, I'm looking to hopefully hold my Shiba Inu more than I would ever hold any cash in the bank, if you will. Why? Is going to be the best question you can ask right now. Why do I expect it to grow over the next 5 years? So crypto as a whole, if we look at the overall crypto market real quick, click the overall crypto market, the all-time chart, go back to 2013. The overall market back then was $1.4 billion. It hasn't 10x'd since 2013. It hasn't 20x'd. It hasn't 50x'd. Right now, we're up over 100 times that investment if you would have invested when? In 2013. The overall, the crypto market right now is still in its infancy stages. Because if we go to Google real quick, we're going to go on google.com. And what are we going to Google? The S&P, let's just look at the stock market, the NYSE total market cap, New York Stock Exchange. So the overall, just the stock market in the United States of America, the New York Stock Exchange is worth 49 trillion, or it says 49. Yeah, that's not accurate. Let's see. Total stock market cap in the United States. Let's look at that. That is not the right number. It's supposed to be 92. It's somewhere to 92 trillion. So Google is not on my side right now. But regardless, $92 trillion. 92 trillion. We're at 1.4 trillion as an entire crypto infrastructure. The fact that this is potentially the future of currency. It's not the future. It's not a company. It's not, a place that's going to buy or sell cars like Tesla. This is going to be hopefully the main form of currency. You hear people like Cathie Wood. If you don't know who Cathie Wood is, let me put a picture of her up. Because if you don't know who Cathie Wood is, you need to do some research about her. This lady right here, the CEO of ARK Invest, one of the most successful investment firms in the last couple of years, they really took off. Cathie Wood says that she has a price prediction for Bitcoin of $500,000 in the short term. She's not talking in the next decade, 20, 30 years. No, in the short term, probably the next couple years, she sees that Bitcoin can go to $500,000, 500,000. People like her saying something like that should not be taken lightly. So right now, everything is still severely undervalued. So Shiba Inu, does it have the potential to become a top 10 cryptocurrency in the future? In my opinion, absolutely. And John, thank you so much for the super chat, my man. He says, double down, folks. Double down. John, absolutely. That's exactly what I've been doing. Every time I see a dip, it's been doubling down. Cathie Wood, she doubled down because guess what? Cathie Wood, Bitcoin price target. If we just literally search that. Wood is one of Bitcoin's biggest bulls. Her price target is 500,000, and cryptocurrency brokerage Coinbase is one of the top 10 holdings in her ARK Innovative ETF. Musk, for his part, still qualifies as a Bitcoin bull, regularly tweeting about cryptocurrencies. That's irrelevant. The big thing here is Cathie Wood. When people like Cathie Wood are saying a 500,000 price target, from current price right now, right, you might think, oh man, Bitcoin it's overvalued. It's expensive. I could have bought it for $3,000 last year, back when the market crashed. Sure, that's true. But compared to where some of these really intelligent individuals are saying it's going to go, it's only the beginning, folks. I say that on every video. But right now, if you're looking at potentially investing into anything, crypto should be part of your portfolio. Understand that it's risky, right? It comes with some risks, high risk, but also with high risk comes high reward. Tech with Matt. Thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. I really do appreciate it. Does help out the channel. You guys have been going insane for the last half hour since we started, but I do appreciate all of you guys so much. It really does help out the channel and just really shows your support. But you just being here on the stream is more than enough support. So I do salute and thank every single one of you guys. You are all the best. Shiba Inu. Back to SHIB. So again, really holding strong and testing this level of resistance. It's hard. It's having a tough time breaking out, but that's what we expected. Based off the technicals, that's kind of what we're expecting. And my man, John Burnett, back on the stream again. John, shout out to you, man. I know you've been on the streams almost, I think I see you literally every single time I'm on. So I do appreciate your support, my man. He says, steak and lobster, bro. Lol, can't wait to buy my house in Oregon. Man, that's literally one of the things I'm saving for right now with the housing market at its all-time highs, trying my best to save for a house. So John, I am right there with you, with Shiba Inu, with everything, whatever it might be. You guys all know I work a job every single day. I record a video before I go to work. I work usually about a 10-hour shift, come back home and record a second video. I try to live stream as much as possible, but that's my schedule and the reality of things. So we're trying, man. I want to see you buy your house in Oregon, and I'm hoping that Shiba Inu as an investment helps you get there, my man. I really do hope, and good vibes only. Look at this. Beautiful price action. I am loving what we're seeing today. So we saw the peak, a little bit of a sell-off, maybe some more people pounce as it dipped down, based off, again, pure technicals, coming back up to the intraday high. Today's all-time high right now is where we're approaching. But again, guys, I can't say this enough, only the beginning. So let's go back to Twitter real quick. And I do want to give a shout out to Milkshake. I feel like I don't appreciate Milkshake enough. Milkshake is probably one of the biggest crypto enthusiasts, and not crypto enthusiasts. Let me make an asterisk there. Biggest enthusiast in Shiba Inu. She is literally throughout the entire day, almost 24 hours a day, tweeting about all the updates, and she sends me messages giving me updates about Shiba Inu. This news happened, that new. So thank you so much, Milkshake, for always putting us on. But let's go back to the Shiba Informer. Also a really good resource for anyone that doesn't know. So if you're not on Twitter, make sure you join Twitter, because this is a phenomenal place to learn about everything you want to know about Shiba Inu. Regardless, so let's see here. Landon Castle. So you guys saw with the whole Voyager just recently listed Shiba Inu. They have been extremely bullish about it. They've been very public with the fact that they're loving the fact that they added Shiba Inu on their exchange. #1 most traded cryptocurrency after it debuted on their platform. That's pretty cool. That's pretty dang cool if you ask me. So the X Fund, that's something that I wanted to talk about with you guys in just a second. But it looks like we got someone else dropping a super chat, and that is my man John Messino, Wen Lambo. My man Wen Lambo is the ultimate question. And I actually made a video Wen Lambo. So if you watched, I kind of went based off some price predictions and initial investment of $1,000. Went to kind of expect it based off of if the milestones are reached for Shiba Inu that will take us to the freaking moon, my man. Now, Tech with Matt, can you show us your SHIB position on the screen? Absolutely, I definitely can. I'll pull it up on my phone. So I have it on a couple different things, but I can show you on my wallet what I have. So give me just a sec here and I will do so. But again, thank you so much, my main man, Matt. All right, so back to what I was saying. Shaitoshi says here, our small team. So right here, you guys can see on screen, right there. So you can see it's a total, it's not even about 1,000. So this is just on my crypto wallet. So I do have also some on Uniswap, but you guys could probably see there. Make sure nothing weird is on there. Yeah, there isn't. So hopefully you guys can see. Sorry, there's a delay in the stream. So let me make sure that you guys can see there. 827.85 is the total. I would show it directly, but I know it shows the wallet address. Oh my goodness. This is so bad. I'm so sorry. Anywho, yeah, my SHIB tokens are all in there. It's almost 1,000 on this one, and then total on Uniswap. I think is it Uniswap? It's another platform, but regardless, there's the remainder of my positions also on there. So again, my ultimate goal before the bull run happens, which again, right now, I still think that Shiba Inu is undervalued. My goal is to have 1 billion SHIB tokens. If that's going to cost me $5,000 to get there or 7,500, I am looking to get to 1 billion. That is a milestone I would love to reach. And the day I do, I'm going to share that with every single one of you as the SHIB army. So yeah, that's what I got there. Got to put your money where your mouth is, right? Don't just talk about something that you don't truly believe in, that you won't put. And again, my portfolio isn't huge. You guys have to understand, my buying power is limited, right? I'm a person who works 9 to 5, probably make similar income as the majority of you guys that are a part of the stream as a SHIB army, because we're all retail investors. Not all of us are millionaires that can afford to, put a lot of money into something that is a higher risk investment. And again, in my opinion, Shiba Inu, yes, it's high risk, but it also comes with high reward. So I'm trying my best to increase my position day by day. But now back to what the SHIB Informer said. So as you guys saw that I talked about with the with Shaitoshi's tweets, but the big thing that he mentioned here, our small team of Shiba developers is setting the node. So I mentioned this earlier on my stream, but regardless, our Oracle provider for Shiba Swap. Let's see here. Our Oracle provider for Shiba Swap. So this is $X Fund, so ticker symbol X Fund. We need to know exactly what is X Fund, right? So you all have the right to know what is going on with this whole Oracle thing. So by definition, it's kind of to ensure security for their platform, right? And a lot of us are impatient. Raising my hand, I'm one of those people that is extremely impatient. I love to see instantaneous gains. I want to see Shiba Swap out. I want to see us listed on Coinbase. I want to see us listed on Robinhood. I want to see all these things. eToro. which eToro, by the way, that's going to happen, I think, before everything else. I think that's going to happen literally at any moment. It could be tomorrow, it could be next week, it could be this weekend. I'm sure it's going to happen extremely soon. But you guys have to understand what these developers are doing. For me, at first, I was like, why are they doing this? Like, what is going on? I don't know. Like, why are they not releasing this thing already? Is it even legitimate? Is it real? Thankfully, with the voice that I had on the YouTube space, they actually allowed me to join them and be a part of the development process. So I got to see kind of the testnet. I got to see a lot of the things that came with ShibaSwap early on. And that's when I decided, hey, this is actually legitimate and it is 100% going to be fantastic. And it has strong potential. And again, look at the people who they chose for auditing. Certic, one of the best auditors for the cryptocurrency space. If it was illegitimate or something that even, you're right, I feel like the FUD for the majority part was silenced. But regardless, with all the stuff on the side there, man, I think it's fantastic. Simply, the potential is ridiculous. And it's truly going to manifest by what? By showing you all, as soon as they release it, what's going to happen. When Bone starts getting farmed, so dig and bury, and also when you could start looking at other crypto assets on the ShibaSwap. And so many people are going to use it. If 500,000 people hold Shiba Inu, they're all going to pull out of whatever exchange or wallets that they have their money in and all enter into ShibaSwap and start doing what we're going to do best, and that is farm Shiba. So dig and bury, Bone, and also increase our position size in Leash, and also in SHIB token, of course, the mother of all of them. T-Bear says, best SHIB YouTuber with the $5 super chat. T-Bear, thank you so much, my man. I do appreciate your support. You are honestly a rock star, and I really like the name too. Simple, T-Bear. I dig it. And Angelo Hanks, sorry. I don't know. I'm too excited. I'm starting to sweat because how excited I am. He said, skip McDonald's, eat a PB&J, and buy more SHIB. LOL. Facts. Angelo, 100%. I am trying my best to be as frugal as possible to continue to just invest my money instead of spend it on things that are, in my opinion, more for the short-term enjoyment. But hey, man, can't hate on a nice McChicken or a McDouble, right? Gotta have them here and there. Love me some McDonald's when I can get it. But thank you so much for the super chat. I do appreciate it. And Raydor with the $5 chat as well. You guys are insane, man. The SHIB army is crazy. So I do really appreciate it. I know, hopefully you guys are seeing some fantastic gains with your SHIB investments and holdings. And therefore, we're going to look back and say, man, what was even $5? What is $100? I can't wait to that day, because that's the day when we're going to all hopefully come back and say, man, made the best decision of my life in investing into this cryptocurrency and the infrastructure. So understand, by the way, by growth, looking solely based off other cryptocurrencies in the space, growth-wise, the exponential growth that we continue to see with Shiba Inu is unmatched. Make sure you guys understand that. Our growth that we're seeing is literally unmatched. Nothing else has shown this kind of growth. Don't tell me SafeMoon. Don't tell me Dogecoin. Yes, they both saw some fantastic gains. Don't get me wrong. And they all saw, decent sell-offs. But Shiba Inu, with the amount of SHIB holders, I'm loving what we're seeing. And I don't like comparing cryptocurrencies, right? Because overall, I think embracing one another and working together is going to be the best thing we can do. But with what's going on with Shiba Inu, just look at this filthy price action. The amount of green candles throughout the day. Loving it. Came all the way down to 658 Satoshi units and then bounced after bounce after bounce. And I hope this continues. Then a big green candle. And I know you guys I saw how crazy the Discord was going when this happened. This is all only the beginning. You guys know how much I say that. And I feel like the big thing that we all can embrace together is the majority of us. Oh, here, let me silence the spammer. I'm sorry, guys, for the hide user on this chat. Sorry for the spammers. I know they're super annoying. Samori, I'm going to mute you, my man, because you are being extremely rude to all the people that are trying to have some fruitful conversations in the chat. So you're going to be put in timeout. There. He's gone, folks. Ask for Chente. I hope I said that right. Chente? Yeah, Chente. I think so. But he says, I'm opening Shiba Motors when we get to the moon. See you there, Ahmed. Shiba Motors. I love it. Thank you so much for the super chat. Ask for Chente. Let's hope so, man. I'm hoping to see businesses that are Shiba Inu infused, or they have like Shiba as a part of their slogan. I'm loving what we're seeing already. And the more we can implement, the more we can gain, just build that awareness. That's the best thing we can do right now. Help people understand what the SHIB army is all about and where we are going. People are not appreciating this thing enough quite yet, but trust me, in a month there's going to be continued FOMO, and I am personally super excited to see what's to come. So Lance Daniel says, check out at Baron Shiba on Twitter, pinned message. Hope you find it SHIB positive. Lance Daniel says, Baron Shiba. Let's go ahead, man. Thank you so much for the super chat. Let's go quickly check it out. Why not? You said it. Hopefully it's nothing crazy, man. Don't surprise us with something wild. Baron Shiba. Let's see. Looks like a Newark. So big SHIB supporter, self-proclaimed community leader in search of bright, innovative ideas for SHIB tokens future. I love it, man. Oh, it looks like you're having some dialogues with Satoshi as well. I'll leave this up to you. Leveling up. Hey, man, this is really cool. I'm liking what you're seeing there. So shout out to you, man. And again, just because you dropped a super chat, really do appreciate it. I'm gonna give you a follow, my friend. So if that's you, hopefully it is. welcome to the SHIB army. So there we go. Let's see what else we got on here. So that's Lance Baz Vids with another super chat. You, my friend, are crazy, man. And he says, can you please give us a video teaching Shiba Swap from Steve's videos? We would all appreciate learning from your point of view. By the way, if you do, hashtag Baz Vids. I got you, man. Baz. Definitely. A lot of people have been requesting that because Steve is super duper intelligent. He talks at a very, very high level, and it's kind of difficult to follow because, again, he knows what he's talking about. But for all of us, including myself, that don't necessarily understand the technical aspects of Shiba Swap, it's hard to follow along. And I know that could be a little bit frustrating for all of us. So, and I will definitely be creating content around Shiba Swap, and I'm hoping I could do so very, very soon so we can all follow along before the official release. I want to talk directly with Satoshi and some of the others that I actually have. We have Telegram chats and that kind of thing together, but I'll do my best. Baz Vids. I got you, man. But send me a message, by the way, if you have a Twitter or anything. Shoot me a message so we can chat a little bit. So do appreciate you, Baz, and thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. The second super chat. You're crazy. Do appreciate it. All right, let's see what else we got. Raider says, I forgot to put a message on the first super chat. Please check X Fund on CoinMarketCap today after the announcement on Twitter. I got you. I'm guessing it's going to be ridiculous. They are a crypto, but after Satoshi gives them a shout out, it's going to be wild. I know that for a fact. So let's go check that out for Raider. And Mark with a super chat as well. Raider, thank you again, by the way. But Mark says, do you think Elon will take Shiba Inu as payment? Thank you for all your videos. So, Mark, regardless of what's going on right now, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are still pretty competitive with one another. Elon backs the heck out of Dogecoin. He believes in it. He works directly with the developers. So in my opinion, short-term wise, probably not. I don't foresee it. But as cryptocurrency gets more adopted, as Shiba Inu gets more adopted, I think that there's some true potential for other S&P 500 companies. Maybe it's Apple, maybe it's Amazon, maybe, doesn't matter. But when a big company decides to accept Shiba Inu, just like when Tesla announced they're accepting Doge, or SpaceX is accepting Doge for payment, look what it did to the price action. I think we're going to follow in suit pretty closely to that. So shout out to you, my man. But let's look at X Fund real quick for, I forgot who even said it now. But let's look at X Fund on CoinMarketCap real quick. I'm going to get shocked, aren't I? Oh boy. Wow. This is kind of what you expect, though. This is what you'd expect. This thing literally skyrocketed. Wow. Not back to all-time highs, but because they're working closely as the oracle or the security for Shiba Inu, the buying pressure was on, folks. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's insane. It literally more than 2x'd. That's like 2.5, 2.3x-ish. That's amazing. But they do deserve it. So Shytoshi, be careful. I would not necessarily invest in X Fund just because of the fact that Shytoshi tweeted about them, because the sell-off is probably going to be real here pretty soon. So be extremely cautious here. Please, guys, please be cautious. Let's see. The Visionary. The Visionary says, once Robinhood lists SHIB, aren't the tokens stuck there since one can't transfer them out of a wallet? Very, very, very good question from the Visionary. Absolutely. So you make a good point. The problem right now that's going to be with Robinhood listing of any cryptocurrency is the fact that there's no wallet available. Let's touch on something though. So if you go over here, let's go to Robinhood wallet news. I don't know if you guys saw, but I think maybe it was on Twitter. Let's quickly check here. Robinhood. Let me just quickly go over here. But I do want to acknowledge some super chats. Oh my God, you guys are not slowing down. You guys are crazy, SHIB Army. Man, I love you guys. You guys are insane. But yeah, we'll talk about the Robinhood here in just a second. As Sumo1 says, your pop, please ban Samori, the spammer. I got you. I got you. Hopefully he's not spamming anymore, is he? Yikes. I silenced him out of the chat. Put him in timeout. But thank you so much, Assume, for the super chat. You are just not stopping today either. My man, Raymond S. If that's you and your baby with you, man, super duper adorable. But thanks for the live. He says, thanks for the live from Southwest Florida. Hashtag SHIB Army. Raymond, shout out to you. You are a rock star. Samori, people are mad at you, man. Why are you laughing like that? It's honestly never a good thing to spam, because I'm not going to acknowledge the spams, man. Gotta be respectful to the others, Samori. Gotta be respectful. Gotta do it, my friend. So do your best. I know you're trying to get the attention, but I try my best to acknowledge as many messages as I can. But yeah, man, chill, bro. Let's be chill. Civilized, folks. Please kick this guy out. All right. Enough people have asked. Samori, man, definitely join me on the next stream. But I think I'm going to have to give you the boot, my friend. Enough people requested it because I guess you're still spamming. I'm just not seeing it on my end. All right. I think he's gone. Oh, no, he's gone. I'm sorry, man. I'm just happy I have 2.5 billion. All right, Samori. All right. All right. We'll give you one more chance. If he spams again, guys, he's out. This is wild. But I do appreciate all you guys' support. We'll ban. All right. That's it. So back to what I was saying with Robinhood. So earlier, someone just asked with the super chat. So again, thank you so much for that. He asks, if we get listed on Robinhood, is it going to be difficult to get Shiba Inu out of Robinhood into a different brokerage or into a decentralized exchange? You are absolutely right. But Robinhood is currently creating a wallet. So understand that they're looking, because cryptocurrency is something that they're growing on. I forgot exactly what that announcement was, but it was a wallet announcement. So hot wallets and cold storage wallets, Robinhood here, June 23rd. This is from yesterday. So real quick here, they said hot wallets and cold storage have nothing to do with your fridge, but they have everything to do with the security. Here's how Robinhood crypto keeps your coin secure. So let's see what they said, what they stated here. Because they're going to start allowing you to withdraw money from the brokerage by wallet to a separate wallet address. So you don't have to liquidate your crypto anymore because of the changes that they're making. It's somewhere along this line. I remember reading about it. It has not been implemented yet, but they're looking to do so in the very, very near future. So let's look through this. But someone else sent a super chat, so gotta acknowledge Steven Belair for another super chat, man. Oh man, I'm overwhelmed with you guys' love and support. And also, real quick, 1,400 of you in the 1,422 of you guys in the chat right now. I'm loving this. We're building awareness, guys. That's what we're doing for Shiba Inu, because this is going to be the currency of Earth and it's going to take us to the moon. But Steven, thank you so much for the super chat. Steven says, thank you, Ahmed, for everything. Drop a like for this great content to appear for others. Hashtag Ahmed to the moon. Steven to the moon. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit the subscribe button and join the SHIB Army. Guys, we are almost at 50,000 subscribers. I am in awe. Literally, I told myself, this is when I was a teenager, by the way. So like a decade ago, I told myself, if I can one day hold to myself that YouTube play button, that 100,000 subscriber mark, I will literally be like, I just remember looking up to people that had that, but now it's not too far-fetched. We're almost halfway there. So one day I'm hoping, and guys, it's not going to be mine. I'm going to literally name it SHIBARMY. That's going to be the name of the silver plaque that we get from YouTube. One day it's going to come. And for all of you that were here early on the journey, I'm not going to forget any of you guys. Steven, thank you so much again for the super chat, my man. Raymond, you too, man, from Southwest Florida. You guys are all rock stars. And Richie, Sama Gaming 119 with the super chat. Thank you so much, Richie. You are a rock star, my friend. So quickly, let's look at Robinhood, keeping crypto safe. So I think in this article, they kind of discussed, so cryptocurrency revolution has challenged yada, yada, yada. Okay, security for crypto is especially complex. A combination of public verifications of integrity and private decisions, like where to store coins and protect them from malicious actors. Our security and custody system ensures that coins stored by Robinhood Crypto are always safe and available to you. The crypto that you buy is yours, and we consider how to best safeguard it with every decision that we make. Okay, we understand all this. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Just as a bank stores in the vault, okay, here we go. Just as a bank stores its most valuable items in the strongest vault, thick door with spindly wheel, gears and such, Robinhood Crypto uses a number of security features to keep your crypto safe. Our crypto custody system consists of a combination of hot wallets and cold storage, so they do keep it in a wallet. Admittedly funny terms for important concepts. Okay, we understand that. Now, real quick, got to keep taking breaks. I actually like the breaks, so I do appreciate your guys' super chats because it kind of calms me down and says, hey, take a deep breath and then keep going. So look at that dude, says Baby Doge and Shiba Inu to the moon. Let's go. I'm not invested in Baby Dogecoin. I have heard good things about it, but Shiba Inu, absolutely to the moon. Thank you so much for the super chat, my man. So we know Robinhood already uses cold and hot storage wallets. So cold storage wallet is a way to protecting the private keys of a customer's crypto separated from the internet. You can probably guess what the hot alternative is, and that provides an additional layer of protection against breaches. The vast majority of the customer's coins reside in cold storage. We practice strict operational security when managing cryptocurrencies and regularly have outside security auditors test the system's integrity. To support day-to-day operations, a small percentage of coins are held in hot wallets with an additional layer of security to protect against breaches. Okay, we understand that. But let's keep it going. On top of all that, sometimes the best insurance is, regular insurance. Robinhood carries crime insurance, that kind of thing. Okay, that's not getting to the point. Somewhere along the line, we know that Robinhood basically if we get listed on Robinhood, people are worried, okay, I'm going to have to sell my Shiba Inu, liquidate it into fiat currency, and then rebuy my SHIB tokens. It's not the end of the world if that happens, but then you'll have to pay taxes on it, which is a huge setback. Now, in my opinion, and we know that Robinhood is looking in the near future to change that. They want to change and allow people to withdraw currency, the form of currency, which is whichever crypto you might be in, into a wallet that you want to, like Coinbase wallet or any other wallet. And they're creating a Robinhood wallet for users as well. So keep that in mind at all times. And let's see here. So Aaron Spiesel with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Aaron. I do appreciate it, my man. I wish you wrote a message, but again, regardless, I do appreciate you so much. Richie Sama Gaming 119. What's going on with the AMA? So Richie, and you're probably talking about Certic AMA with Shytoshi. We'll definitely talk about that in just a second. Troy Chris says, I would like to nominate you as the official general for the SHIBARMY. To all my fellow soldiers, please vote yes as well. If there was a voting system, that would be pretty cool. I would love that title. It would come with a lot of responsibility. So again, I would only continue to give you guys the best possible news and information that I could. But that would be insane if I was, the general of the SHIBARMY. Right now, I think, the SHIB Informer, Shytoshi, those are more of the generals. But if I could be maybe one of their marketing leads or something, I think that'd be really fun. By the way, just so you guys are all aware, my videos and everything that I do for Shiba Inu, it's not for money. I do not get paid from them at all, not a single penny, but I just do this because the SHIBARMY is the greatest family on the internet, greatest family in the entire world, and that's it. We're creating eternal bonds with one another. I have met so many people now through the SHIB community, and I embrace every single one of them because we're literally becoming one. We're all together, and we're a part of this movement, which is it's magnificent. Makes me so happy. And I'm glad that I could share my face. I know a lot of people want the faces of the developers because we want to see them. I'd be more than happy to see Shytoshi. That'd be super cool. But again, at least I'm one person that you can look at and say, hey, I know he's a SHIB Army member. And a lot of the others are pretty transparent about it as well. So again, Troy, I really do appreciate your kind words in the super chat. You, Troy Krez, are a rock star, my man. So thank you so much. And for all of you guys that are in the chat right now, I appreciate every single one of you. And if you haven't already, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Guys, I want to be your one-stop SHIBs. I want to be your one SHIB stop, if you will. One place to come and learn about all things Shiba Inu. And I hope that we could create vlogs, maybe podcasts. I want to start getting some of you guys on. I want to help people get exposure. If you have an interest in, whatever, I want to create this as a platform for the SHIB Army. It's your pop, your pursuit of purpose. Once upon a time, Your Pursuit of Purpose was a podcast that I developed for underrepresented individuals. That was my initial platform, just so you guys are aware. I created this platform to bring people on to talk about their stories or whatever it was. Then I changed it up into completely something different, which was a financial channel. So I still like the idea of podcasts. And if I can bring some of you guys on the channel so we can sit together and dialogue, bring some financial advisors that are true advisors or people that are, invested in other cryptocurrencies, regardless, I would love to have dialogues with each and every one of you on video. That would be magnificent in my opinion. And I think it would make things a lot more fun. So John Messino says, everyone donate $5 to get your pop to 1 billion SHIB tokens. You guys do not have to do that, John, but you are crazy. I know you've been doing multiple super chats throughout the day. So I do appreciate you so much. So thank you. And you guys being here again is always more than enough. But John, thank you for the kind words. I really do appreciate all your support, my man. You've been nothing but fantastic. So, catalysts. If we go on YouTube here quick, we're going to go to the SHIB Analyst. SHIB Analyst. I want to click on some of the things here, just to make sure you guys are all on the same page. I'm going to quickly forward a little bit so you guys can see where Steve talks about, let's see if we go up a little bit. Because I think still people are confused about how am I going to get my SHIB token to Shiba Swap? What's that transition going to look like, and what's the goal there? And let's see here. Look at that dude, says Shiba is bouncing up 6.59%. Absolutely, my man. This is only the beginning. Look at that dude. Yes, my man. Only the beginning, my good sir. So I don't know if it's on this one. Regardless, I think he has it a little bit blurred. He has it a little bit blurred out. And T-Bear with another $5 super chat. T-Bear, you have been insane, my man. And he says, get yourself them McChickens. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much, T-Bear. I do appreciate your support, man. I hope you and I can one day get some sandwiches together. That'd be pretty awesome. Garrett Doherty says, for the fund. Are you guys actually going to do this? This will be crazy. I will literally buy 1 billion SHIB tokens if you guys want me to. I will do that if this somehow happens. Again, I don't want to create anything, but that'd be insane. Okay, maybe I shouldn't say that because I know you guys. I know the SHIB Army is crazy enough to start doing something like that. But I do appreciate it. Garrett, thank you so much. And let's see here. Sakrish, let's see. I need to pronounce this correctly. Sai Krishna, I think it is. Sai Krishna with the $5 super chat. Thank you so much, Sai. Do appreciate it. You guys are awesome. So Shiba Swap. Let me quickly go on shibtoken.com. Shibatoken.com. We're gonna look at it from this angle. Kyle with the $5 super chat too says, for the fund, also, can you mute or ban Matthias? Is he spamming? Any spammer will get muted. I got your back, Kyle. Thank you so much for the super chat, my man. Where is this Matthias? $1 SHIB needs a price to... All right, is he bothering you guys? Because if that's so, I will definitely... And I don't know. The trolls are infinite out here. Trolls are truly infinite. Let me scroll up real quick. $1 SHIB. I'll put him in timeout because I saw a couple of his messages and they're uncalled for. So anywho, can you guys see the website on the screen? Let me make sure that's actually functioning. It should be, right? Yeah, you guys can see it. Okay, back to what we were saying. So Shiba Swap. A lot of people have been asking how, in preparation for the Shiba Swap release, I know I've made some videos and content around that, but people are asking, how am I going to get my SHIB token from point A to point B? Point A being where I have it currently, point B being Shiba Swap as a platform. In the live chat right now, I want you guys to say, where do you guys currently have your Shiba Inu stored? Write it down in the chat right now, because I want to get better direction on where you guys are currently holding it. Whether it's in a decentralized or centralized exchange. Do you have it in a wallet? Which wallet do you have it in? Just mention that right now in the live chat. As you guys know, I keep mine in my Coinbase wallet, and I also keep it on MetaMask. Those are the two. So crypto app says add ski. MetaMask says Sasgenish. Coin wallet from Baz Vids. Good job, my man Baz. That's where you want to keep it. Rabha says Ahmed to 1 bill Shiba. Let's go, my man. Let's go. We'll get there. We'll get there. Do appreciate your support. Binance. Seeing a lot of Binance. Crypto.com. I mine, and I have mine in crypto. Says Eric. Jalil says Binance. Coinbase wallet from Baz. Jack Lee says Coinbase. All right. So all over the place. People have their crypto, it looks like. Some are still in decentralized exchanges, a few in MetaMask wallet, some have it in Coinbase wallet, but a lot of Binance I'm seeing. CoinSpot, Australia, Binance. Okay, so we got some better understanding of where everybody's at. Now, real quick here. This is super important. I'm gonna make my screen a little bigger. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Make my screen a little bigger so you guys can focus in. Step by step. Right now, I'm gonna pay attention to the chat, what you guys are saying. But what everyone needs to make sure that they're doing before Shiba Swap is released, we know the time is coming. We are getting extremely close for the release of Shiba Swap. To make sure we're all on the same page, because I want to always level out the playing field. I want to make sure all of you guys, as the SHIB Army members, are on the exact same page and are, again, just on the same page, and we're all on the same playing ground to make sure that we have the same competitive advantage over anybody that might not be watching the videos or not really focused in on when Shiba Swap is released. Jay Gee with the $50 super chat. You are crazy, my man. Jay Gee, thank you so much, my man. I do appreciate all your support, Jay Gee. You are a rock star with the $50 super chat. I don't know what to say, but all I could say is thank you. Jay Gee, you, my friend, are amazing. You are all amazing SHIB Army members, and I will still get to the point, but I do gotta appreciate it, and I wish you wrote something with it, but all he did was send the super chat with no messages. But regardless, my man, I acknowledge you, and I salute you, and thank you so much for that. It does help out the channel, and of course, it helps out. I'm gonna just keep going, because the excitement is there. And real quick here from Najib, guys, I'm gonna get to the point, trust me. But I don't feel like I need to apologize, but I'm gonna apologize for continuing to disrupt what I'm trying to say and acknowledge the chats, because I gotta respect the fact that people are, doing this. It's too kind for me to overlook. Najib Jama says Somali and Sudan, East African brothers and Shiba Inu brothers as well. Love the videos, great energy. I listen at work. Thanks for everything you do, Najib, my man. I hope you and I can one day unite, see each other, but I do appreciate it. Again, thank you so much for the super chat, Najib. You are a rock star. Somali, represent. I am Sudanese, but we're brothers at the end. East African brothers for life, my man. Shiba Inu Army members and brothers for life as well. And another super chat from Nani, a $10 super. You guys are literally going insane right now. $50, $5, $10. Like, this is not stopping. And I'm in awe. I love you guys. You guys are all magnificent. Really, SHIB Army member. I don't know. This is overwhelming me. I'm getting kind of emotional and getting sweaty. But you guys are all awesome. Nani, thank you so much. I wish you sent a message. But regardless, I do appreciate you. You guys are crazy. Siddhartha Mund says, for the fund, thank you for sharing the great content. Love from California. Oh man, California has a special place in my heart. I love the state of California. Santa Monica Beach. What am I saying? Santa Monica Beach and the pier. Literally my favorite places in the world. I wish I lived in Cali, but Siddhartha, thank you so much, my man. This whole fun thing is kind of crazy, a little overwhelming, but you guys are the SHIB Army, and that's what you do best. Overwhelm people. But thank you so much, guys. You're crazy. You guys are crazy. Kyle, what are you doing, man? What are you guys doing right now? Please stop with another $50 super chat. Kyle, why? Thank you so much, Kyle. I'm not gonna even be able to get to my point because look at this. I'm literally sweating, guys. You guys are crazy, Kyle. Kyle, no, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is crazy. You guys are crazy. I feel like people want to make me cry on the stream. I am not going to. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much, Kyle. Kyle. You're not slowing down, man. You guys are crazy. Robert Burnett with another super chat. What is going on? Can you recommend a tutorial on how to move SHIB token from crypto.com to MetaMask? And is 50 mil a good amount for profit decently? Absolutely, man. I think that's what people are not realizing as the SHIB army. Kyle, I'm still in shock, by the way, but gotta acknowledge the rest. But Robert said, is 50 mil a good amount? What people need to understand is to be a part of the SHIB army, with 1 cent being the price target, 10 cents, $1, whatever you believe that it will get to. If you invest $1 now, 50 cents, whatever it is that you have under your name, you're part of the SHIB army. And regardless, I think hopefully it's going to be going up in price in the short term and in the long term. And I think one day we're going to all see it. We're going to see the Shiba Inu prevail, and it's going to happen. So whatever it is that you're able to, it's going to happen, my man. So 50 mil, 10 mil, whatever it is that you can hold, keep at it, my friend. Just keep at it. You guys are insane. But righteous one. Wait, hold up. You guys are going mad right now. Holy smokes. Haider, go get your 1 billion. I will get my billion, man. You guys are crazy. Wow, with another $25 super jet. Haider, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much, man. Righteous one says, "You're pop, you're the man, and when this explodes, bottles on me." Righteous, I am right there with you, man. I don't drink, but I'll still be there with you. Thank you so much, Righteous. You are crazy. You guys are wild. You guys are just not. What are you guys doing right now? Hold up, time out. Stop. What are you guys doing? Stop, please. This is overwhelming. I'm gonna have a heart attack. I'm literally gonna start hyperventilating. T-Bear for the fund and that smile, bro. Thank you, T-Bear. JG, it's for the fun, bro. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing on the stream right now? Oh my God, he's $100 super chat. Wait, what's going on right now? I'm literally sweating, guys. This is too much, man. This is too much. This is too much. This is too much. Al Shaif Abu Anar, $100 super chat. I'm reading that in Arabic. My Arabic is not the best, but oh my God, man. I want to help you to get to 1 billion SHIB. Oh man, this is insane. I need to give you guys something back. This is just wild. Oh man, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. Like, I don't even know if I can say thank you. This is not just a thank you moment. This is so much more than that. We're gonna get to 1 billion. I'm going to make that video. 1 billion SHIB. It's going to happen. Karamoko, why am I get $50 super? Guys, this is too much. This is too much. This is too much. This is too much. This is literally too much, guys. Oh my goodness. I can't even get to the video. This is $50 super chat from Karamoko. Good man. You, my good man, are insane. Thank you so much. You guys are wild. I'm sweating. I'm hyperventilating. Chris, I've accumulated 100 million SHIB and I feel like I am part of something new. Thanks in part of your videos. Thank you so much, Chris. I'm glad that my videos were able to... What are you guys doing right now? I don't know if this is real life or not, but you guys are crazy. This is insane. Chris, thank you so much, my man. Thanks in part to your videos. I'm glad that my videos can build conviction and give you some confidence in something that I truly believe in. Never financial advice, just trying to put you guys on the place that I'm in. Darnell Horn, yo, blessing. Darnell, my man, I've seen you time and time again in the stream, so thank you for all your support and super chat. Salam, brother. It's not much, but I hope it helps. Ilyas, this is too much. Literally, all of this is too much. What do you mean this is not enough? This is not about enough or not enough. You guys are insane. I feel like you guys want me to start. It's not going to... What? Another $100 super... Yo, what are you guys doing right now? What are you guys doing to me? Let's go enjoy the videos from Josh Deweys. He says, I enjoy the videos. I enjoy your presence, Josh. Thank you so much. Hasnain Ali with $100 super chat. You guys are seeing this live. You guys are seeing this literally live right now. How crazy the SHIB army is. This is the SHIB army. This is who we are. This is how we do things. People are just insane. The amount... Hasnain, man, I can't even say thank you. I don't know what to say. Reach out to me if you can. Any of you guys. This is wild. You guys are not stopping. I don't know what to do. You guys are not stopping. Is hypnophobic another $5 super chat says for one bill fund. Much love from Santa Monica, California. My man from the most beautiful city in the world, Santa Monica. You guys are crazy. That was my wife. She says, take your wife out to dinner. Honestly, at this point, I really need to take her out on dinner, out to a nice dinner with the SHIB Army's support. You guys are insane. Oh my goodness. You guys aren't stopping. James Green, $20 super chat. This is literally a super chat stream. Guys, I'm sweating. My armpits are literally wet right now. That's gross, but I don't care. I'm gonna be frank with you. I'm gonna be real. You guys are real. I'm gonna be real. I am literally sweating right now. I kind of want to take the shirt off, but I know that's gonna probably get this video flagged. My goodness, Robert Barnett, 1 billion. My man, I salute you. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Honestly, guys, you guys are insane. You guys are literally insane. SHIB Army Gold Surfer, thank you so much, Gold Surfer. You are a rock star. And people are joining. We have members now. The first 2 members in the channel. Kyle, welcome to the Europop Elite member. I literally just activated membership just to see what to do. But thank you so much for being my first member. Kyle, if you have any socials, hit me up, bro. You are my first official member of the channel. Thank you so much for all your support. Steven Spataro, I've seen you multiple times, man. Thank you and welcome to the Europop channel and welcome to becoming a member. I'm still figuring out what I'm going to do for the members, but it's going to be something special. So thank you so much for joining. You guys, my heart is literally racing right now. My heart is literally racing. Darnell Horn says, I want to start my YouTube because I believe in Shiba. You, my man, Darnell, hit me up. I am right here. If you want any help starting YouTube, I want to get more SHIB Army members out there. I'm trying to get everybody out on the platform because, guys, this is the power of the SHIB Army. Look what they're doing. Literally right now, I can't do anything. I cannot make a video. I can't even do the live stream because you guys are just insane. 5 new members. This is crazy. This is crazy. Charles, welcome, my man. Welcome to the... I need to nickname it something else. SHIB Army, the elite. I call it elite member, but this is so much more than that. So thank you so much, Charles, for joining. T-Bear, dinner with the wife. Well deserved, brother. You guys are crazy, man. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. All the new members. Steven, welcome to the Europop elite member. Steven Belair, thank you so much for joining. Man, El Shaif Abu Anar, or is it Abu Adar? Maybe that's the correct name there. He says, welcome to the Europop. You're also in. Guys, you know how it's going to be with me. I'm going to continue to make this content, these videos, every single day for every single one of you. You guys are overwhelming me. I am so grateful for all of you, the SHIB Army members, regardless, super chats or not. The super chats are obviously meaningful because I'm able to see exactly right there what you're saying. But regardless, all of you for tuning in, for subscribing to the channel, for liking the videos, getting the videos out there to more people. I literally can't stop. I am grateful. My family's thankful. Just know that this movement is going to be something different. This Europop channel is going to be something way more than just Shiba Inu content. We're going to become a Shiba Inu hub. We're going to start creating philanthropy type things. We're going to become something way bigger than each of us individually. Because as a collective, when we come together, guys, as the SHIB Army, our power together is insane. We're going to do charity live streams, all from the SHIB Army. It's not going to be from Europop. Never. I'm never going to do anything. When we start doing these big type events, I have some big plans for us for 2021, 2022. Only the beginning. We're going to create something so much larger than each of us individually. Chase, my man, says, we appreciate all your hard work and grinding these videos out. Greetings from Malibu, California. What's up with the Cali folks? From Malibu, California. Chase, thank you so much for the super chat, my man. I need to move to California. That's the next spot. That's the next stop. It's just so expensive, but hopefully one day we'll be able to afford it with our Shiba Inu killings. Thank you so much, Chase. You guys aren't stopping. Mitch H with the $5 super chat. Mitch, thank you so much. It looks like maybe from California. Again, salute to you, my brother. Michael Perkins, Pop, we love you. SHIB Army loves you. My family loves you. Austin, Texas in the house. SHIB is strong, holding with death grip. Exactly, not diamond hands, death grip. We gotta hold as hard as we can. I love it, man. Michael, thank you so much for the enthusiasm. Love the caps. Love the energy in your message. Appreciate you, my brother. Fred Beer says, much love from Omaha. We got people from Nebraska. We got everyone. We got people from everywhere. This is amazing. You're lit. Your return on investment, ROI on how cool you are is priceless. Najib Jama, thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. You've just been continuously supporting the stream. I'm overwhelmed. I'm going to continue to build this army. That's going to be my #1 goal for 2021, to make the SHIB Army that much bigger, because I truly, truly have so much conviction and love for the army. You guys are all absolutely amazing. And the super chats are not stopping. Angelo Hanks with another super chat. Bless you, brother. Bless you, my brother. Thank you so much for the super chats. Raider, a new member as part of... It's going to happen. It's going to happen. I'm going to try not to make it happen, but it's probably going to happen because you guys are really overwhelming me right now. Raider, welcome as an army member, my man. Oof. Don't want to do it, but I might have to. Darnell Horn, start the hashtag pay me in SHIB. Love it, man. Pay me in SHIB. That is the ultimate goal. It's going to be hopefully an acceptable and adopted form of currency out there one day. You guys are insane. Emotions are deep right now, man. Can't keep them. Yes, we try to be men out here and be as manly as possible. My wife is tuned in. She's going to see how vulnerable I look right now, but whew. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are wild. The SHIB Army is just, it's too strong. We're too deep. We're way too deep. Frankie McKinney, good vibes from San Diego. All the Cali folks, man. You guys are wild. Frankie McKinney, thank you so much. And making myself look like a fool, but that's okay. For the SHIB Army, there's no such thing, man. You guys are amazing. Have to acknowledge, I'm just going to acknowledge every single one of you, because every individual right here in the super chat or in the chat is a SHIB Army member. All right, deep breaths. Bakersfield, California. Look at this. All the Cali folks. Bakersfield, California. How do you become a member? I don't even know. I really have no idea. Apparently, I activated it because YouTube said you can now allow members onto the channel. So there might be like a join button next to the subscribe. But Mark, thank you so much, my friend, for all the super chats. It's been insane, man. Oh, man. All the new members. Kashif Beige says, welcome to the Your Pop Elite member. Man, welcome, Kashif, welcome. And I'm going to do something special for all the members and the SHIB Army. You guys are all members of the SHIB Army, which is the most important. But for those of you who are exclusive on the channel, I'm going to hopefully do something nice for you all too. Got to plan it out. We'll create polls to figure out how to do it, but I want to do something special from me to all of you. So thank you, Cactus, for joining the SHIB Army, or the Your Pop Army, as part of the SHIB Army ultimately. But thank you so much. And oh man, you guys are going too fast. I can never say your name the first time. I can't pronounce it. I can't speak right now because you guys are overwhelming me. But is hypnophobic. Welcome as an army member, my friend. Elite army member. This has been crazy. I'm literally sweating so much. Danny Lima, holding. Diamond hands, baby. Diamond hands. Not financial advice, but at this point, honestly, we're all diamond hands. We know what we are and we know who we are. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. $10 super chat from M. He says, keep up the hard work. Let the tears flow. Man, I'm overwhelmed, man. I'm overwhelmed. This is insanity. I've never seen anything like this. I go to work 9 to 5, 9 to 6 actually. with a commute, 30 to 45-minute commute to and from work, 2 ways, and just coming to see you guys every day, making these videos in the morning and evening, so much more fulfilling than my job. Although I love my job and I love what I do, this right here, the community that we're building, is so much bigger and so much better in my opinion. So thank you so much, M. Rafael Alberto with the $4.99 super chat, $5 super chat. Thank you, Rafael. I appreciate you, my brother. Angelo Hanks, welcome to the Elite Army member. I'm going to nickname it something else. I think it's just literally Your Pop Elite for now, but you guys are all amazing. Raymond, welcome, my man, from Southwest Florida. I didn't forget you. Welcome to the Army. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Another $10 super chat from Darnell Horn. Darnell, you do not slow down. #1 fan. I appreciate you, my brother. I appreciate you, my man. Oh, man. You guys are crazy. This stream literally took a complete turn. Complete turn. Patriot, welcome to the Your Pop Elite. Welcome to the Members Club, my man. I'm going to hopefully do something extremely special for all of you guys. And know my Yak 96. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. You guys are crazy, man. That was insanity. Let's calm down for a second. Let me make my screen a little smaller. Oh, wow. I was on big screen too that whole time. So you guys got to see everything up close. That's the power of the SHIB Army. You guys are insane. You guys are literally insane. Darren Like says, we appreciate you. Might start my own channel. Tap in. Let's go, my friend. SHIB Army members, if you have an interest out there, whatever it is that you're interested in, whether it's creating a YouTube channel, become just any type of social media platform that you're trying to grow, please let me know how I can help. Because my goal is to hopefully one day get you all. I want everyone to be successful. That's literally one of my goals. If I can get you on the channel, we could do podcasts, whatever. The goal is to hopefully help each and every one of you guys as a SHIB Army. G Money, welcome to the Elite group. Thank you so much. 16 members. You guys are crazy. Literally just snowball effect. This is too much. I appreciate you guys so much, but you don't have to do it. I never will ever ask you guys to do anything like this. You just joining in, liking the video, and subscribing to the channel means the world to me. Anything in addition, that, I don't know. It's too much. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are awesome. That's all I can say. At the very minimum, I could say you guys are awesome. But you're so much more than that. You are the SHIB Army. So G Money, welcome. Thank you. Salute to you. I love the little badges. Hopefully we can make, if anyone knows a graphic designer, by the way, or anyone that's pretty cool with that kind of thing, I want to make some type of, for the members or that kind of thing, I want to make an emoji that's related to Shiba Inu. So that's one of my goals too. But if you know anybody that's like that, let me know and have them holler at me. Send me a message on Twitter, Instagram, Discord, wherever it might be, because I definitely want to talk. So thank you all so much. This has been crazy. I was trying to get to what point? Where did we even leave off? Because now I forget. But I think we were talking about Shiba Swap and in preparation for Shiba Swap, where we want to put our money. But you guys don't want to stop with the super chats. Oh my God, man. Kristen with the $5 super chat. No message, but the super chat. Thank you so much, Kristen. You guys are insane. I don't know if I need to pinch myself. This is crazy. Sending love from Birmingham. Is that Alabama? We're diamond hands in the South, bro. Diamond hands in the South. Let's do it. Diamond hands, folks. That's what we're here for. That's what we're here together to literally just diamond hand, increase our position size, and take this thing to the promised land. I hope one day we all see some magnificent gains and returns. Lonnie Jackson, always coming in the stream and dropping a super chat. Lonnie, thank you so much, my man. Thank you for... No, thank you. Don't thank me for my time, man. That's what I'm here for. That's the least I can do for the SHIB Army. Your guys' support is unparalleled. Look at this, 1,130 of you on the chat right now. 876 of you hit the like button. That's crazy. The subscribers, I love you guys, man. Love you guys, honestly. It's not even like, it's love, true love, heart to heart. Love you guys, man. And 23 Tails, what's 23 Tails says? 100 mil enough, or should I get more? My man, All I could say is I am pouncing on every single pullback. When I see this thing pull back, I buy more. I'm going to continue to do so until I build out my position. The goal is to get to $1 billion. But hey, 100 mil is a great milestone. But always look at your own risk assessment, right? Look at your own risk tolerance and understand where it's at. I'm going to continue to build my position because I personally believe in this long term. You can make your own decision, of course, and decide where you want to go. Man, Roman, welcome, Roman, as an elite army member. Thank you so much for joining, my man. It does mean a lot to me. It supports the channel, and it keeps the growth going. Thank you so much. 942 likes on the stream. You guys are crazy. A $20 super chat from G Moot. Keep up the good work from Orange County, California. What is up with the Cali folks today? The Cali folks. You guys are insane. Shout out to California as the state. We saw people from Southwest Florida, Birmingham, Alabama. We saw individuals earlier on the stream from India with the super chats. We are global. Guys, we aren't at a state level. We're not in the city level. We're not just a small business. We're not just a national business. We are worldwide. Shiba Inu as a cryptocurrency, as an infrastructure, is worldwide, folks. We are so much bigger than just the city that we live in. We're not individuals anymore. We represent the SHIB army, and we're going to take this thing to the moon. I am so excited to see where the potential is, and I'm super bullish on what we have coming up. You guys aren't stopping. Roseanne Dillinger, good content, bro. Sending love from Savannah, Georgia. Shout out to Roseanne Dillinger. Thank you so much for the super chat. It means, the world to me. You guys are nonstop. $50. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Carlos Leos, Pop, PM me. I have something for you. Carlos Leos with the $50 super chat. Why are you guys doing this? This is just insanity. Thank you so much, Carlos. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm yelling in your ear. But for anyone that's tuning in right now, I got to do something. I don't know what to do, but I got to do something. Man, Carlos, how do I get a hold of you, man? Hit me up on Twitter. Send me a DM on Twitter. Let me go on my Twitter here and give you my Twitter. I'm going to copy, paste this Twitter right here. Oh my goodness. You guys are insane. I'm going to pin my Twitter on the chat. Send me a DM, Carlos, right away, my friend. Send me a DM, please. I'm going to just pin this real quick. SHIB Army, what are we going to do? For anyone that's tuned into the stream because we were looking at something completely different, guys, I'm sorry, but I've just been so overwhelmed, and I know we're pivoted right now. My goodness, 2010 countdown with another $50 super chat again. Why are you guys doing this? Why? He says, thank you for the enlightenment, brother. I just hope once we hit the moon, we as a SHIB army or group, I need to say this in the energy that I should be in. Sorry, man. I'm too excited. He says here, 2010 countdown, $50 super chat says, thank you for the enlightenment, brother. I just hope once we hit the moon, we as a SHIB army or group can all meet up and enjoy a nice dinner. Let's make everything better together. My man, 2010 countdown. For anyone that lives in the United States of America and worldwide, one of my goals is going to be, to get us somehow, some way doing these meetups. I know on the Discord they're doing some, but ultimately the goal is going to be so we can start interacting with one another, bouncing ideas off each other. Got to figure out how to do that because I understand the platform that I have, thankfully, for all the support you guys have been showing me on the YouTube space. One day that's going to happen, 2010 countdown. It's going to happen. I'm going to make it happen at least here in the US, if not in other countries as well. But that's my goal too, my friend. So thank you so much for the super chat, my brother. You are honestly just a rock star. So thank you, 2010. George, joining the elite group. Thank you so much for becoming a member, man. Just started today, already at 18 members, and you guys are all insane. I really do love and appreciate all of you guys. It's just not stopping, man. Not stopping. Chris H, keep it up, holding strong in Arizona. Shout out to Chris H from Arizona. My brother, thank you so much for this $25 super chat. Means the world to me, man. You guys all mean the world to me. And Elias says, Jibril, he says, you're legit. You do it for the family at home and family here. May God bless us all and keep up the good work all the way from Australia. Ilyas, thank you so much for the kind words, man. And I'm trying my best. Trying my best. And guys, we're going to build some philanthropy type things because obviously the support is overwhelming and we need to figure out a way that we can give back as the SHIB Army. Not as your pop, not as Ahmed, not as just Ilyas, not as just George Eagle. No, as a group, collectively, we're going to start doing charity streams and we're going to give back for all the gains that we have already made and yet to make. We're going to give back, guys. That's going to be one of the biggest things we're going to do in 2021. Mark my words. Mark my words. It's going to happen. But because your guys' support is unmatched and it's overwhelming me. And I understand the power that this platform has. And I'm not going to take that for granted ever. So thank you so much. We're almost at 1,000 likes on the stream. You guys are crazy. Daniel Vasquez, reporting from Orlando, Florida, with the $5 super chat. He says, thank you for the motivation. Happy to be part of the movement. I am also super happy to be part of this movement. It's been the biggest blessing of my life to date. After, of course, getting married to my beautiful wife, this is probably the next best thing that has happened to me. Being part of the SHIB Army and getting introduced to this YouTube space and being able to be a part of this wonderful community. It is truly, truly fascinating and amazing what it has provided for me and my family and what it's going to hopefully provide for all of us as a collective. It's Hypnophobic says, we'll pass the moon. My man, let's pass the moon. I think we can one day hopefully pass the moon. Puerto Rico and Miami in the hospital, in the house. I said hospital, thinking about work. Puerto Rico and Miami in the house. SHIB Army. Roman Visionero. Thank you so much, my man, for joining the army. We have George Eagle. Of all the channels I watch, you are the best, man. I will subscribe to yours. Thank you so much, George Eagle. Thank you for becoming one of the members. Does mean a lot to me. John Trevino. I can't stop acknowledging these guys, but it's really nonstop. God bless you all. We must all start saying SHIB to Mars. John Trevino says it, guys. He says we gotta take SHIB to Mars. The wife is signaling me, but guys, the super chats, I have to acknowledge all of you. 22,000 views since we started this stream an hour and 41 minutes ago. I was planning a 1 hour stream, but you guys just keep me going. I can't stop at this point. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are crazy. Let's acknowledge let's see here. We got John says, Pop, my cousin is thinking of accepting SHIB as a form of payment for her business. Pint me to the right direction. I already messaged Kat on Discord. Kat is going to be a she'll be a really good, or he will be a good contact, but also there's some others that are on the Discord you can hit up. Shaitoshi, those are all going to be good. So John, thank you so much for the super chat, but definitely look into sending a message to one of those guys there. Wow. I'm sweating, guys. Lonnie Jackson, welcome to the Elite Member Club. Lonnie, welcome, my friend. You are insane, my man. The super chats, joining the army. Thank you so much. It really does mean the world to me. Much love, respect from me as Ahmed, for all of you guys, the entire SHIB Army. But you guys aren't stopping. You guys don't want to stop. You guys don't want me to talk about Shiba Inu. And this is the SHIB Army, though. This is literally who they are. Kristen says, thank you, my man. Looking forward to meet and greet. Thanks for the great content. You deserve it. Hashtag SHIB Army. We will do a meet and greet. One day will definitely plan on doing one. We're growing at an insane pace, and a meet and greet is going to happen. We're just going to have to make sure we do it professionally, make sure we do it in a way that's not going to overwhelm any public space, which it's going to happen. We're going to overwhelm a public space as the SHIB Army. 550,000 holders now. Imagine by the end of the year, 1 million, 2, 3, 4, 5 million holders. I can see it. But thank you so much, Kristen, for the super chat. Emily Einsbarth says, burn and earn. SHIB Army hold until $1 plus. I love it. I love it. Burn and earn. Holding until $1 plus. Let's see where this goes. I really think, again, Shiba Inu has already made millionaires, and it's going to make even more millionaires to come. I truly 100% believe that. And that's why I'm super bullish, and I'll always continue to cover this cryptocurrency on my channel. It's our baby, one of my personal favorites, and it's going to happen. Just got to be patient. Patience is what prevails. Tyrannic A with the $5 chat, he says, we the SHIB Army hold it down. Movement Your pop, keep making it stronger. Great job, super strong. My man, I will do my best to continue to grow the SHIB army and continue to bring only positivity around the space. Loving the price action that we're seeing today. It's been nothing but magnificent. And honestly, only the beginning. We have some great catalysts on the way. So those who are going to be patient, always remember, I don't want anyone to think, I'm doing these videos for financial advice, because I'm not. But always understand and know, embrace the fact that I invested my own money into this. You all invested your own money into this. And there's a reason for that. We truly see, we have a vision, right? We're all visionaries, and we see something in Shiba Inu in the coming future. So shout out to every single one of the SHIB armies, all 1,084 of you that are in the live stream, with 1,059 likes on this video. If you haven't already, do so. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get up to 50,000 subscribers. I'm sure we can get there by the end of the week. And man, oh man, only the freaking beginning, guys. Goodfella says, with the pace we're going, will it hit half a penny soon? What's your prediction on this? I hold 200 million. Shout out from East Los Angeles, the California folks. I feel like they need to do a meetup, like a Cali Shiba Inu meetup. I don't know. That'd be crazy, because I feel like there's so many of you just as part of this channel right now. It's been insane to see, but it's magnificent too. But yeah, good fella. Again, price prediction, all these things, we can all speculate. All-time highs, in my opinion, will be surpassed for Shiba Inu as soon as the true utility aspects of it come out. So right now, we are sitting at, at all-time highs, we're at 3,431 Satoshi units. Since then, we've pulled back significantly, obviously. Looks like, again, some decent consolidation lately for the last couple weeks. We did see some downward movement, but for Shiba Inu, I think that the bullish momentum is going to start as soon as ShibaSwap is released, and as soon as Coinbase lists them. eToro is going to list them. So many positive catalysts, guys. Make sure you keep understanding what that means. That's why I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but I can tell you what I'm doing, and I'm diamond handing. I keep grinning and I keep, biting down, because it's true. You got to have conviction and hold on tight to your positions, because one day I'm hoping, and I'm very, very optimistic on the future, the bright future that Shiba Inu has in front of it. So again, thank you so much for the super chat. Easy Y Reap with another $5 super chat as well. Easy Y Reap, thank you so much, my man. Whew. Felt like I got a workout in today, because how much excitement this has been. This has been insane. You guys are crazy. Another $50 super chat. Ethan. Oh my God. He says, start a charity wallet with SHIB. Ethan, I'm going to look into doing something like that. I will definitely look into something like that. If we can figure out a way to do, I think we'll start with more of those streams, and we'll figure something out as a SHIB army. We're that strong. And of course, I'll be a part of it too. But I want to start doing things that is hopefully, I still can't get over it. A $50 super chat, man. You guys are crazy. $50 super chats, $100 super chats, the multiple fives. This has been crazy. You guys are insane. But Ethan, I love that idea. I think we can definitely do it. I just want to make sure I coordinate it appropriately, and make sure that, I run it by some of the developers and that kind of thing, to make sure we do everything correctly. Make sure it's kosher. Make sure there's no mistakes that we do on the way. But Ethan, I love the idea, my man. We'll start by doing, some of those. I know YouTube allows me to do live streams that are 100% charity live streams. So all the proceeds that are put in as super chats, etc., are all going to be applied directly to a charity of our choice. So we can come collectively and figure out I'll do a poll to figure out which charity you guys would all be most interested in investing money. Because right now, with the pandemic, how it's affected a lot of third world countries. I come from Sudan. I come from a third world country. And I know, whenever I can, giving back to my homeland is obviously something I like to do when it's possible, right? And money over there, the dollar is worth a lot of money back home. And it's same thing for a lot of third world countries in South America and other countries in Africa. A lot of people out there that are in need of general, just basic resources. I can go down to my sink over there and pour a cup of water from the tap. Back home, they can't do that. They don't even have clean water, believe it or not. Think about the basic necessities of life they don't have access to. So the fact that, I'm on this YouTube space and I can see this and I'm able to maybe start creating ways that we can raise money, philanthropy type things, that's one of my biggest goals for hopefully during the summer. It's one of the big things that I want to do. And I know with the SHIB Army, we have the capability, the buying power, and the ability to make a change. With what name? Not with your pop, not with Ahmed. That's not the name we're going to do this under. It's going to be under the SHIB Army. Shiba Inu token holders. The SHIB Army members are the ones who are going to be able to give back. So that is the goal for 2021, and we're going to make it happen. Regardless of how hard it is, we're going to make it happen. Mark my words. Regardless of the price action for Shiba Inu, if we go up and down, philanthropy, giving back is ultimately the number one thing we need to do, because we're all in this world temporarily. I don't want to get into religion and that kind of thing, but regardless, we're here for a short time. 70, 80, 90 years, maybe 100 for those who are lucky. We're here for a short time. The investments we're doing, this is for generational wealth. This is for our families, for our children, for the next generations. So we got to figure out what is the best way we can come together as a collective, folks, and give back as much as possible. You guys have been insane. I don't want to stop this live stream because this has just been magnificent. I've never seen anything like this. Literally, I've been overwhelmed. But you guys are all, honestly, my brothers and sisters, the SHIB Army members. We're a family. And please treat me like a brother, older or younger, depending on our age difference. Send me messages. I feel like not enough people reach out. And those of you who have and maybe I haven't responded to, I'll try my best to get back to you. It does take some time because it's getting a little bit overwhelming, but I feel like I try my best to acknowledge as many people as possible. So again, don't mean to plug or anything, but if you haven't followed me on Twitter yet, this is the easiest way to reach out to me. Send me an easy message, a direct message on Twitter, or shoot me a message on Instagram. I'm also on Instagram. Very small. Thankfully, it's not a big Instagram yet, nor do I really want it to grow too much. But regardless, there's room for you to come and send me messages, and hopefully I'll respond ASAP to all your guys' messages and comments. BD with the $5 super chat. BD, thank you so much. You are the man. BD, I really do appreciate the super chat. And Darnell Horns with a $10 super chat yet again. Darnell, you are not slowing down, man. I really do appreciate you, my brother. And I appreciate all of you guys that are tuned in, of course. But got to give a special shout out to those who are, giving up from their own hard-earned money. And I will not take that for granted at all. I will not. I do respect that. And I'm going to continue to create content that you enjoy. Darnell, thank you so much. And he says, Jesus saves. Yeah, whatever religion you are, again, I have my own religious beliefs, but regardless, just embrace what it is that you believe in and understand that regardless of what you believe in, we're here temporarily. And ultimately, the best thing we could do in this life is give back as much as possible. Build generational wealth so our children don't have to worry about paying for college. I had to take out so much student loans to go to school because, again, just coming from a lower income family, we didn't have the opportunity to get wealth handed down to me, just like some other people are fortunate with. But regardless of your financial situation, the investments that we're making today will hopefully give us nice payoffs, nice, infinite dividends, if you will, in the future. And that's truly why I'm on this YouTube space, because the dividends that this YouTube space is paying, not from a monetary standpoint, I'm not talking from financially, but from just, spiritual, if you will, or just in general, what it's doing for me is so much more than the financial aspect. Yes, that's true. It's nice. And it's nice that I'm able to now hopefully be able to give back even more than I have before. Ultimately, that's what we want to try to do, guys. As the SHIB Army, make your bank. Get those bags, folks. I'm hoping that we are all millionaires. Every single person that's on this chat, the 1,069 of you that are here right now live, I hope that we all get into the millionaire club one day. We can all set goals. Setting goals is smart. Becoming millionaires is a great goal. Why not? Why? Our whole lives we've been looked down upon, but it's time for us to pick up, lift our chins, straighten up our shoulders, get our posture right, and move forward with some confidence because, hey, that's what the SHIB Army is here for, and we're here to hopefully create generational wealth for all of us, and we'll see where it goes, man. We'll see where it goes. And we got some super chats. This has been the best stream to date. I say that every time because the streams just get better and better and you guys get crazier and crazier. So Tempetope, man, I hope I don't butcher your name too much, but I'm sorry. Adi Canelli. I'm sorry if I butchered it, man. Temitope says, a very big thank you to your wife for allowing you to be a blessing to us. God bless your family. Yeah, man, she's a huge supporter of this entire YouTube thing, and I love her for that. But thank you so much for the kind words. I'm hoping that one day she'll join the YouTube space too. I'm trying to convince her right now so you guys can have her perspective as well, because she's an amazing girl. Amazing. Love her to death. Image with another super chat. My man says, thank you for the informative videos. I look for your videos every day. 1.8 billion diamond hands. 1.8 billion goals, my man. That is goals. I'm hoping that I can build out a position like that one day. Image, you are truly an inspiration for all of us as the SHIB Army members, because with that much that you're holding, I'm sure you have some true conviction and you believe in this thing long term. So let's keep it going. Let's see where it goes. He says, keep going, keep growing. That is the motto for 2021, folks. Keep going and keep growing. Image, thank you so much, my brother. Do appreciate you, man. I'm sweating so much. Whew, I'm gonna have to take a shower after the stream because you guys literally overwhelm me, man. Crazy. Hasnain Ali with another super chat, with the $25 super chat. Guys, I feel like I need to think about retiring from work and literally just doing this for a living. Just being here 24 hours a day with the SHIB Army. I'm just kidding. I would not do that. But I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful and blessed for this opportunity to be in front of you guys. I'm gonna keep this going. This channel is just getting started. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. Let's see where we got to just during the stream here. We are at 49,000. We're at 49,900 subscribers. Guys, we are almost at half 100K. We're almost at 50K subs. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. The goal is to get to 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I told you guys, we're naming that silver plaque. That was the goal for me. That wasn't the goal for this year, to be honest. I was thinking 5-year goal, I had the 100K subs, but the SHIB Army is blowing my mind. Literally, I started this year with 2,000 subscribers on my channel because of my previous podcast. We're at nearly 50,000 subs as of the time of the stream, because that's what the SHIB Army is. You guys have been sharing my videos like wildfire, and that's really what you guys have been doing. Look at this. My hands, like I can't stop with the gestures. People are like, you're moving a lot. I can't contain myself. We're nearly 50,000 subs. Can you think about 50,000 people? Do you know how many people that is? I would never imagine, guys. I really did not think this would ever happen in my lifetime. I'm truly grateful, man. I'm 100%. I'm speechless. I love you guys. Love you guys. Love. Love. I don't like you as individuals. I love you, SHIB Army. Collectively, I love you guys. And for everybody, I feel like that's all this stream has been about, but that's who we are. We're a family. I just want to go through Viral Blood. Hope the next super chat be 4 million. Moon, for now, for Vancouver. Super chat be 4 million. Yeah, Viral Blood. Thank you so much for the super chat, my brother. Yeah, that'd be insane. I feel like there's a limit to super chats. I think the limit's $100 because I don't know. That'd be a liability at that point. I would literally, I don't know. I would probably die. I would go crazy. So news. People are asking about Shiba Inu news. There's really no news. We were talking about the technical breakout. I know right now the people that are tuned in are probably not the individuals who are here at the beginning of the stream. But from the beginning of the stream, we kind of talked about the technical breakout that we're seeing. So FX Street has this really decent article, in my opinion, because there's two types of breakouts when it comes to any cryptocurrency or any market. Real quick here. Just want to give you guys the quick info. Two types of breakouts when it comes to technical breakouts. So following the chart, there's technical breakouts. And in addition, there's also what? Instead of technical breakouts, there is good sentiment breakouts. So when there's news that's positive, that also can create buying pressure or selling pressure in a cryptocurrency. So if we go down here, we can look at the technicals quickly. But I do want to give a quick shout out to my man Emmanuel with the super chat. He says, congratulations from Cincinnati, Ohio. Can you please explain the losses on short-term capital gain and long-term capital gain on taxes so some can stop buying and dumping? Definitely, Emmanuel. We can talk about that. I'm going to keep that highlighted for a second, but let's quickly look at the technicals here from the previous question that was asked. So technical breakout, that's kind of what we're seeing today. So it said here, if you go down, so Shiba Inu price still lacks the volatility to formalize and march higher. So we know June 15th, we got up to 986 Satoshi units and we pulled back down to 560 as the overall market was overwhelmed with selling pressure. Now, if we scroll down just a little further, it says the measured move target, because the title of this article is Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB may reward patience with what? With an 80% return. Okay, we know that part. And shout out Josh for the super chat, my man Josh Mendoza. I know you gave one earlier and another one. Salute to you, my brother. Thank you so much. But back to what we were saying for the technicals, real quick. So the measured move target pattern is we're looking at 1,730 Satoshi units. That's where we're headed. And so, again, if we look at technical breakouts, we're trying to beat resistance. So right now there's resistance for the 54-hour SMA, the moving average, at 731 Satoshi units. Guess what we're testing right now? Right around 731, 729 Satoshi units. Okay, so what we need to break out is the 204 hours SMA or moving average at 792. That's where we need to break. We need to break that and surpass it to get a technical breakout. From there, if that breaks out, there will be resistance at what? 1,048, not 800, not 900, if it's a technical breakout based on known news. So understand technicals has to do a part of it. And what do technical analysis do? They look at previous patterns and we follow that momentum. So you guys can see right over here, they have them pretty mapped out really nicely on there. And real quick, so Emmanuel, I will talk about that in just a second. And thank you so much from Cincinnati, by the way, for the super chat. We have Emmanuel Allen, another Emmanuel. Shout out to the Emmanuels in the chat today. He's welcome to the Europop Elite Member Army. Thank you so much for joining, my man. It does mean a lot to me. It does support the channel and supports the cause. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, short-term capital gains and short-term capital losses. So for all of those of you who have been maybe buying and selling, especially here in the United States based off the tax code, the short-term and long-term capital gains. If you hold for more than a year, any type of asset, crypto or stocks, you have short-term, long-term capital gains. If you hold for more than a year, for anything shorter than a year, you have short-term capital gains. Let's use Investopedia because that's my favorite. Short-term capital gains tax, Investopedia. Real quick here. My wife is going to be coming out here now and telling me, yo, what's going on? But let's quickly look at the short-term versus long-term capital gains, just because I feel like, a lot of people have asked me on the channel, hey, what are we doing in terms of taxes for all the gains that we have made? You never have to pay taxes until you sell. Sell for a loss or sell for a gain. So real quick, Michael Perkins, because you said my name right on the first attempt, the moon, buckle up, SHIB Army. Shout out to you, my friend. He says, true blessing and motivation. Thank your wife for letting you give us her time. Yes, I do appreciate her so much. I definitely carried on a little longer than I thought I would, but she's just like that, and I will take her out. I promise. I'm going to take her out to eat after this to whatever food that she likes because you guys are insane, and I could not stop the stream. The momentum was just amazing. Love you guys so much. Now, Emmanuel, short-term versus long-term capital gains. So, key takeaways. Just a quick thing here, selling a capital asset, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, stocks, Zomedica stock, right? For all those who are part of the zombies or the Zom army. Stocks, bonds, precious metals, or real estate for more than the purchase price results in capital gain. I bought Shiba Inu, you bought on the dip, say 560 Satoshi units that day that we all pounced together collectively. Fantastic. Then we pounced, and guess what? It went up to 735 Satoshi units. Dang, I just made a 20% gain. I'm going to sell for a gain. Fantastic. Now you're under what's classified as a short-term capital gain. It's tax bracket. Not tax bracket, but now you're going to have to pay taxes on those gains. So short-term capital gains result from selling capital assets owned for 1 year or less, as I mentioned earlier, and taxed at a regular income. So long-term capital gains, so if you hold for more than a year, are subject to 0% tax, depending on your income bracket, or 50% or 20% tax. So normal tax, as it's mentioned. So if we look at federal tax brackets, you could literally see how much money you'd have to pay. How much money you have to pay depending on how much you sold your Shiba Inu for or whatever. So real quick here, I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it clearly. Make my screen a little bit smaller. Dang, Emmanuel, you brought a whole new conversation into the chat today, but might as well discuss it. So 2021 federal income tax, and of course you have to pay state taxes on top of this. But regardless, if you're a person that is single, right? You're not married, you're single, you've been an investor trying to make some money, day trading, etc. Understand that every time you sell your crypto assets for a gain, you're going to be taxed on your gains. So say I put $1,000 into Shiba Inu. In less than a year, I bought for $1,000 and I sold it for $10,000. The difference between that, the $1,000 to $10,000, so that's a $9,000 difference, you're taxed on that amount. So right here for singles, if you're making $9,950 up to $9,950, so we made $9,000 that year, you're going to be taxed 10%. So that means $900 is going to be taxed, or $900 of your gains that you made is going to Uncle Sam. Yes, I'm just like you. I hate taxes. They stink. They take a lot of money from us, but we got to pay them. It's part of our citizenship, right? Just got to do it. But that's exactly how short-term capital gains works. Now, if you hold for long-term and you made $10,000, guess what? You're actually not going to be taxed if you've only made $9,000, say. So you went from 1K to 10K. You made a $9,000 difference. Long-term capital gains under that bracket, you're paying 0% taxes. And that's why diamond handing is the way to do things. When you're diamond hands, you're not going to be paying taxes on your long-term capital gains, depending on what your tax bracket. Of course, if you made $100,000, that's a little different. You'll probably be in the 15%. And again, if you made $1 million, but you've held for more than a year, 20%. 20% instead of what? 37%. Pay attention to the difference, focusing on that, folks. So for all of those who are paper hands, and if you sold for a loss, same thing. You get some tax breaks or tax write-offs. To a certain extent, for a few $1,000s, you can write off your capital gains losses, or capital losses, not just your capital gains. So Emmanuel, I hope I answered your question. Kind of went in depth there, but this is something that I had to look into because last year is when I started trading stocks, and I had to report a lot of things to taxes to, not get in trouble with the IRS, because that's super important. So make sure you guys are all doing your due diligence and ensure that you're paying your taxes if you're here in the United States. And if you're elsewhere and you don't have to pay taxes, hey, let me know where you live, because I might have to come over there and move, get out of these taxes if I can. Wow, the price action, loving it. Green candles, green candles, green candles. Shout out to the SHIB Army, man. Wowzers. All right, we got another super chat from Messiah7, SHIB Army. Plain and simple, SHIB Army, Messiah, salute to you, double salute. Thank you so much for, can't even talk. I'm too excited, guys. I am sweating so much. Holy smokes, you guys literally overwhelmed me today. BT still going up, Elon just tweeted. Bitcoin is going up, Elon just tweeted. Darnell says, what's going on? What's going on? All right, let's go check it out. Elon Musk, what's happening? Elon is a market mover. Let's look at the overall crypto market real quick. Wow, yeah, Bitcoin is almost 36K. What did Elon tweet? How many Bitcoin maxes does it take to screw in a light bulb? It's not funny, Bitcoin maxes. Shout out to the awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna of course like and retweet. Anytime Elon drops bombshells, guys, literally just talking about cryptocurrency, the market reacts. Elon, keep going, my man, keep going. Man, I love this. He says, how many Bitcoin maxes does it take to screw in a light bulb? That's not funny, Bitcoin maxes. So the question is, what is a Bitcoin maxis? Because I have no idea, to be honest. Bitcoin maxis meaning maximalism. So reasons for Bitcoin maximalism. The maximalists are a vocal group of Bitcoin supporters that back Bitcoin above all other digital currencies. Literally, is that all he tweeted? That's creating this insane buying pressure. Bitcoin's definitely going up though. Wowzers. Shout out to you, my man. Darnell, thank you so much for putting us on and letting us know that he tweeted that. Wow. Let's quickly look at the Elon, that man, how can one man, what did Kanye West say? How can one man have that much power? Wow, holy smokes. See, that right here is what we call a non-technical breakout. This is a sentiment breakout. Shout out to the green candles. Wow. Oh my goodness. Green candles all day. Shiba Inu. We follow. Let's go. We follow Bitcoin's price action to the T. Where's Shiba? We're ranked right here. Up almost 10%. I'm loving it, guys. This is only the beginning. Oh my goodness. Shout out Elon. Hey, tweet something about Shiba Inu, Elon. But yeah, guys, that's truly the power this man has. How can one man have that much power? Let's see what you guys are saying in the chat real quick. All right, we're testing the resistance marks. We're testing the resistance marks. T-Bear says, brother, we love you, but go spend time with the wife. I got you. The wife is definitely being patient, but I will definitely be heading off here soon. Let's see what else everyone is saying in the chat. Ship to Mars. Yeah, that should be our new slogan, because I know Dogecoin kind of adopted it, the Mars movement, but ship to Mars. Let's go to Mars, folks. What was Shytoshi's tweet regarding Oracle about? How that affects ShibaSwap? How does that relate to the launch date? So, Oracle. Here, I'm gonna give you. Let's talk about that quick, because I feel like that's important. Wife is holding. Yeah, my wife is holding tight. Ahmed, you don't have much time. I love you, man. You don't have much. Ahmed, you don't know how much I love you, man. Muhammad from Saudi Arabia. Muhammad from Saudi. I've actually been to Saudi Arabia. This was like, what, 5-6 years ago. But thank you, MB Muhammad from Saudi. I really appreciate you, my man. I saw your messages there, so it caught my eye. Oracle node is being set up, yeah. So real quick, Oracle and Shytoshi. So real quick to show you guys what he's talking about. If you guys saw, Shytoshi, right here. Shytoshi tweeted out saying, because people were saying, what is going on with this whole thing? What is Oracle? What's that mean for ShibaSwap? Security. Understand, guys, that means security. So he says, Shytoshi said, our small team of Shiba developers is setting a node on XFund, our Oracle provider for ShibaSwap. This should be live this weekend. Big shout out to Unification UND team for their assistance in making sure that ShibaSwap is magnificent. Now, the question is, what is Oracle? So basically it's a security system. Oracle Security, it's a cloud-based security system. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys on Google here. It states it perfectly. So Oracle Security. So in cryptography, a random oracle is an oracle, a theoretical black box that responds to every unique query with a truly random response chosen uniformly from its output domain. They are typically used when the proof cannot be carried out using weaker assumptions on the cryptographic hash function. So by definition, what an oracle is again, it's a level of security, cloud-based security, to ensure that ShibaSwap as a whole is going to be what? Extremely secure. These guys are perfecting this platform, and they do not want it to flop. And in my opinion, it's not going to flop, because what? The developers are doing the best that they possibly can. I'll make a dedicated video to talk about that, because I feel like that's super duper important, and the SHIB Army members need to understand what it really what it really means. So the fact that they're working with XFund, that's pretty awesome, right? XFund it's a pretty big cryptocurrency in and of itself. They have really, really significant track record in security. So the fact that Shiba Inu and the ShibaSwap team decided to partake in a partnership with them in solidifying the security for it as an oracle, that's fantastic. So setting a node is going to be huge, and it's going to be one of the most important proponents of ShibaSwap. So got to make sure, and it's going live this weekend, which is pretty big. So in my opinion, can ShibaSwap go live next week? Very, very possible, folks. I truly, truly think that is possible. And someone said, no way. Are we actually there? From 49.9? 50,000 subscribers live. Oh my goodness, guys. We literally just hit the milestone. 50,000 subscribers. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, we just did that live. Live, you guys just saw. Live, we hit 50,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is a really, really awesome milestone. Someone sent it and said, oh my God. Wow. Oh man. That is truly, I'm so thankful for every single one of you guys, man. I can give a whole speech here, but no need for that. The emotions on this live stream were insane because you guys really overwhelmed me. The tears came out. Everything happened. Thank you so much, SHIB Army. Literally the best thing that happened to me. 2021, after the pandemic, all the bad things that were here in the past year, we now have come as a collective, as a community, as a resource for one another. This is really the beginning. And I'm so excited for what the future has to hold. 50K, 50K, 50000. Wow. Well, I'll definitely be sending out a tweet here soon. Congratulations to everybody in the SHIB Army. I'm just gonna, you know what? Let me just take a second and just tweet out right now on the stream because you guys are awesome. And T-Dog, my man T-Dog is a member of the elite group. Thank you so much for T-Dog, man. I know what you did in the previous stream, and I still think about that every day. No, like when I'm driving to work, I remember what you did. And the super chats are always insane. Same thing for you, Hasnain Ali. I know what you've done, man, today. And Al-Shaif Abu Al-Dar or An-Nar. I'm not sure if there's a noon or a dal there, but regardless, because it's just hard to see on the screen. You guys are all magnificent. Everybody else on the stream today. 50,000 of you SHIB Army members. Man, that is just insanity. The growth is insane, and I just hope that we continue to see it grow. And I know that I'm going to continue to give you guys the best possible content that I can. Thank you so much. And you guys are saying it. 50K, well deserved. Thank you so much. Hookah and Khat. And Khat. Oh man. King Ahmed, wallah. From Malah or Malih. Thank you so much, man. Abu Falafel. Love the name. Thank you so much, Abu Falafel, for the big super chat. And oh my goodness. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. T-Dog, no. T-Dog, no, man. No. T-Dog. Not again, man. T-Dog with a $200 super chat. T-Dog. We are all Sky Toshi. All eyes on you, he says. Man, 50K subs. You guys are throwing super chats like it's nothing. T-Dog literally did this last stream as well. It overwhelms me, man. T-Dog, I can't say that I'm just grateful, man. I'm just very thankful for you to be a part of this channel, for you to be a part of this army, for you to be a part of this movement. Man, I'm thankful, man. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot to me. It does. It means a lot to me, T-Dog. Thank you so much, my brother. I never ask for these kind of things, but I can't play it off, man. I can't. Thank you, T-Dog. Thank you, everybody. SHIB Army, 50,000. This is too much, man. Oh, man. I wish I can give you guys all individual hugs. T-Dog, man, I just want to... Oof, man. I'll give you a kiss if I could, man. Thank you so much. You guys are all insane. Major Pain, 50K subs. You should do a 1 billion SHIB purchase live to celebrate. Major, man, if I had that kind of buying power, I definitely would. But trust me, Major Pain, major salute. It's coming. It's going to happen, and I'm going to make a video doing it. Believe me, it's going to happen. With the amount of support and love you guys are showing me, it's going to happen. 1 billion is going to happen. Thank you so much, Major, for the super chat. P. Lark, welcome to the Your Pop Elite member group. Thank you so much, all of you guys who joined today. I'm overwhelmed. I'm ecstatic. Sorry I'm not showing this bright, joyous happiness because I'm overwhelmed. T-Dog, man, that's crazy, man. That's just to give you guys perspective real quick. I give this as an example, but I only am doing this because I want you guys to just see. Oh man, I don't want to even go there. I don't know. That's a whole nother T-Dog. I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say. You deserve it. May Allah bless you. Alex H. Alex, thank you so much, my brother, for the kind words. Really, a big heart to everybody that's part of the SHIB army. Big heart. My heart is full. I am grateful. I am thankful for every single one of you. Do you have a Discord? P. Lark, I do. I have a Discord that is separate from the Shiba Inu Discord. I'm not as active as I am on there, but I will pin my Discord channel. It's completely public. No charge, nothing like that. But let me give you guys the invite, just so you guys can at least come and interact with me there, and then you could send me a direct message, because that's a good way to also reach me. T-Dog, I'm still so grateful. Ah, man. You guys are something else, SHIB army. The Shiba Inu army. Literally the best thing that has happened to me. I'm grateful for every single one of you guys. Let me quick... I can't even navigate right now on my screen. I'm trying to find the Discord link. Here it is. Copy. I'm going to paste it into the chat here. Here it is. And I'm going to pin it. That's the Discord link to the Your Pop Discord right there. Oh, let me pin it. Replace pinned. There it is right there. So go ahead, join the Discord, my man. Everybody. Girls, guys, dudes, dudettes, SHIB army members. Go ahead and join the Discord. Please send me a message. I want to talk to... If I could, I want us to do like a voice call where we can all chat too. I want to hear your guys' voices. I need to put voices to these names, faces to these names. I would love to do that. So join the Discord and let us have some conversations here soon. Zacoin Crypto World with a 25 AED. I don't even know what currency that is. Is that the dirham? I think. But thank you so much for the super chat, my brother. It does mean a lot to me. T-Dog, I still can't get... You're crazy, T-Dog. Huck Dingo with the $5 super chat says Shiba to the moon. Guys, we're not just going to the moon anymore. Shiba Inu to Mars, Shiba Inu to Pluto. Sky's not even the limit. Sky's not even the start. The SHIB army is powerful, family. The SHIB army is powerful. Let's quickly look at what's going on with BTC. Elon tweets, the market reacts. Still testing that 730 Satoshi unit mark resistance. My man T-Dog, you're wild, bro. T-Dog, you still haven't messaged me from previous. Let me know. Send me any message. In the description, I have my Instagram, Twitter. Please, T-Dog, send me a message. I want to have a conversation with you, man. Because you're insane. You're insane. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, guys. Definitely pounced. 580 Satoshi units. We bought more Shiba Inu. We're seeing some nice price action, and I'm hoping that this is only the beginning. This has been the best stream ever. I don't think this is one that's going to be matched. I pray to God that the SHIB army continues to grow. We're at 50,000 subscribers, guys. And I told you guys I want to... Look at this. 50,000 subscribers. You guys are seeing it in the flesh, live. Let me tweet out real quick. Not at Shaitoshi. Here we go, discard. Let's go to the homepage. We're going to tweet. We're going to send a tweet out. Shout out to the SHIB army members and everyone, all caps, and everyone that was part of today's insane live stream. We hit 50,000 subscribers live on stream. You are the best family in the world, SHIB army. Hashtag SHIB army, hashtag Shiba Inu, hashtag SHIB movement. For goodness sake, we are an entire movement, folks. My God. And I spelled subscribers wrong, so let me correct that. Can't even type. We're gonna send it. Let's tweet it. Let's go, SHIB army family. Wow, you guys are crazy. I love every single one of you guys. T-Dog says Preet-san, you in great hands, very smart young man. He's giving shout out to Preet-san. T-Dog, SHIB going to shake the earth. People are working hard all over the earth with your knowledge. Lead everyone as you are. All eyes on you. About, what is that, 10,000 shares of the stock you talked about earlier. Let's go, T-Dog. I am super, super excited to see what the future has just in store for all of us. Again, for the SHIB Army members, Diamond Hands, I know I've been focusing a lot on Shiba Inu, and I'm going to continue to focus on Shiba Inu, but I'm going to try to get you guys introduced to as many new things as possible on the way. But right now, all eyes on SHIB token, all eyes on Shiba Inu. Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in today. This was insanity, and I'm grateful for every single individual that is part of the stream. Thank you for always, I know what you guys do. You always share my videos. You're subscribing to the channel. I know you guys are all subscribers, and I know you guys all like the videos, and I'm for that forever, eternally grateful. Now I'm gonna go spend time with the wife, give her a big hug after this amazing live stream, because I need to let out some emotions, because this has been beyond what you guys would ever think. Beyond. Thankful. Let's go. SHIB will be a spaceship soon to the moon. Abdullah Khamis, my man. I believe it. Appreciate you guys so much. SHIB Army, I love you guys. 50,000 subscribers. This is only the beginning. By the end of the year, I was never going to say this, but I think by the end of the year, at this point, we will probably see 100,000 subscribers by December 2021. And what we'll also see by the end of the year is, I'm not saying a million. I'm going to say 5 to 10 million Shiba Inu holders. Those are just some of the things that I'm saying. I want to put those out into the world because the law of attraction. The things that we say are the things that end up occurring. Kyle, you have a good one too, my friend. Thank you so much for joining the gang and the elite army group. G Money, have a blessed night. You too, my brother. Every single one of you guys. It's hypnophobic. Thanks for the stream. Thank you, my man, for joining. T-Dog, please hit me up, man. And anybody else, send me a message. Hit me up on Twitter. Let's get this party started. Shiba Inu, you guys know I'll be back tomorrow morning for the daily upload. Double upload. I'm probably not going to do another one tonight because right now this has been a little too much. But tomorrow I'll be back with yet another video. And of course, as always, like I say, every single day at the close of every single video. And until next time, then SHIB Army. I love you guys so much. But until next time, love every single one of you. Thank you for all your love and support. But I want to say until next time, everybody. With Darnell hitting with one more super chat, so I got to say SHIB Gang is my name on Twitter. Shiba Gang. All right, Darnell, send me that message, man. I'm looking forward to it. But until next time, everybody, keep investing. Love you guys. Peace.